हेलो एवरीवन, अभिषेक हियर। आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के डेथ को लेके। अम, क्या वो एक्चुअली में सुसाइड था या एक प्लान मर्डर, हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे उस चीज़ को लेके। हमारे साथ है प्रीति और हजीरा। चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Okay, so see, as of latest, what I saw the news is one thing is that his Instagram handle has been memorialized. Okay,
और
that means his account will not be like nobody will be able to use his account anymore. Okay, and even if they have the credentials, they will not be able to log into his account at all. That is one thing. It happens when like any celebrity or any person whose memories Instagram wants to save. So his handle has been saved by Instagram. Okay, and all his public his post will be public. Nobody can change the public settings.
अच्छा, ऐसा है।
हाँ, सो क्या होता है कि कोई भी हैंडल अगर मतलब उसको मतलब मेमोरीज में डाल देते हैं या मेमोरियल जैसा हो जाता है, सो इट्स जस्ट लाइक अ मेमोरियल काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग वेर इन द पीपल would know about you. Okay, so people can visit your page, can know your thoughts and what you have shared with them, and nobody can change it. Okay, so now nobody can make any changes to that particular account. So even if you have the credentials, you cannot log in. That will be the first thing. And second thing will be you will not be able to edit the settings at all. It will come, it's totally under Instagram as of now. So just because see his Instagram handle was very different when compared to other celebrities, because he was into a lot of things. Okay, if you see his Instagram account, he was into a lot of things. For example, he was very much interested into astronomy, astrophysics, metaphysics. He himself wanted to be a physicist. First he wanted to be an astronomer, so he could talk about
I
anything.
forgot one thing.
What?
वो गेम का कोड लिख रहा था।
Yeah, because he started learning it very recently. So yeah, the coding thing. Okay, because he was interested in coding. But you know, he had shared a post wherein he shared his 50 biggest dreams. Okay, which he wanted to fulfill. You can find it on Instagram.
Wish list कर जैसा।
Yeah, your bucket list kind of a thing.
हाँ।
Okay, so it was a bucket list wherein he shared 50 dreams. So if you go through his Instagram handle, you will see that he had very insightful knowledge about books, paintings. Okay, he was very much into art.
So you mean to say कि कंगना रनौत ने जो बोला है वो सही है?
See, I will
बाकी लोग
not.
जो बोल रहे हैं कि नार्कोटिक, नार्सिसिस्ट या क्या बोलते हैं उसे, दिमागी तरफ से थोड़ा
psychotic and all that thing.
हाँ, वो सब गलत है।
See, I don't think so. He was a psychotic person. Okay.
So murder or suicide?
Mostly it could be a murder. Okay, a lot of theories around it, because see, it's not that I'm just giving you my viewpoint. Okay, I'm not giving any judgment on that, but then a lot of things, because if you see his home, okay, it's a place where celebrities stay. The day before he died, okay, the day before he died, what has happened is the CCTV cameras were off. Okay, so in such a high profile area, how was it possible that the CCTV footage is there from like so many months? Okay, so every moment has been captured. Why the CCTV footage was switched off just before he died, 2 hours before he died? That is the first thing. Second thing, a lot of the neighbors said that one day before they had a party. Okay, so they heard a lot of music and hooting from that place. Okay. So if a person wants to die, he seemed to be in a very jovial mood. Okay, then why would someone?
लेकिन पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट तो बोल रहा है बस सुसाइड है।
So no, postmortems just said that the cause of death is asphyxiation. Asphyxiation can be caused due to several reasons. It's not that just because you have hung yourself. Okay, somebody can choke you using a pillow. Somebody can press your throat and kill you. Okay, and that way also you will die of the same cause. Okay, now
बस उसके बाद हैंग कर दिया गया है।
हाँ,
Is that what you mean?
Yeah, could be possible. That is not what I mean. I said it could be possible. Okay.
लेकिन साइकोलॉजिकली अगर किसी को तुम ऑप्रेस करोगे, अगर उसके बाद भी वो अगर मेंटली स्टेबल ना रहने के बाद अगर वो सुसाइड करे, डोंट यू थिंक वो एक दूसरे तरह की मर्डर ही है बस?
Yeah, it is. Why do you think Kangana Ranaut is fighting so hard? Okay, so for example,
मतलब मैं उसी चीज के लिए तुझे बोल रहा था कि Is it murder or suicide?
See, I'll tell you, cornering someone, bullying someone, okay, and then that person dying of something, okay, totally okay, there is a cause for it, okay. Every suicide has a cause. People
Correct.
को don't have ऐसा शौक किया जो उठे हैं चलो सुसाइड कर लेते हैं, ऐसा तो होता नहीं है ना यार. Okay, there has to be something, some valid reason. Maybe it is a self-made reason, maybe it is something related to your personal life, maybe it is something related to your professional life, but there is a trigger. Like you have trigger for any kind of depression, okay, you have trigger for any kind of mental illness, you have any kind of trigger for your mood swings. Similarly, every suicide has a trigger. Nobody decides one day they just get up and are nahi chalo a suicide kar. That does not happen, right?
True, but yeah, so
And most of the times, not most of the time, almost all the times, these kind of triggers are ideally external, not something that is
Correct.
Huh.
triggered within the person, but it is completely an external
No,
cause.
see, yeah, triggered from the person, yes, definitely, but yeah, जब तक बाहर से external नहीं आएगा तो internal होगा
Exactly.
कैसे?
That's exactly what I meant.
Yeah, it's just like a Newton third law of motion ना, something मतलब action और reaction तो होगा ना. Simple सी बात है. Why will somebody want to kill themselves? So what Hajira is saying is totally true. That okay, fine, it is something external. That is what goes ahead until and unless you are dealing with something like a bipolar disorder or you're a schizophrenic patient, okay, which is a total different condition. Here, this patient was like this person was neither a bipolar, he was not a schizophrenic patient, okay. A lot of theories are coming in stating that his girlfriend, okay, Riya Chakrabarti, is just concocting stories, okay, and trying to hide a lot of things. That is one thing.
you know, there has been incidents के रिया चक्रवर्ती के इंस्टाग्राम पेजेस में जाके उसको गाली गलौज उसको ब्लेम कर रहे हैं लोग.
No,
Stating
no,
that-
no, that is totally lie. I'll tell you why. Okay, because from the time Sushant Singh Rajput died, she has switched off. She has disabled the comment section. So those who are
Achha.
posting this is a total complete falsified thing. And I have this question, okay, Riya Chakrabarti, if she did not have any problem, why did she go ahead and delete all the photographs with Sushant Singh Rajput?
That's what.
Right.
वो भी सुसाइड के बाद अचानक से.
Exactly, because you know what, the main thing is when he died, okay, because his last scene on WhatsApp was somewhere around 9 to 9:30. That was the time when she was available on Instagram, and if you see her last post, it was posted the very same day. Now I have a question here, that whatever, okay, you are in a relationship with someone and everybody knows it, you're a celebrity, okay, then what was your theory? You went ahead and disabled the comment section, okay, fine, justified. You did not wanted people to bully you, which will definitely happen, okay, like it is happening with the other stars. Now my question is that why did she feel the need that she has to go ahead and delete all the pictures with Sushant Singh Rajput? Why was it required? Don't you think that a probe will anyways commence because you are linked with him, okay, and even if you have deleted those photographs, you were the last person that he called. Now in any suicide case, okay, even if you're not his girlfriend or whatever it is, it's the basic common sense that if there is a suicide or if there is a murder, people will definitely look at the mobile, okay, the call record, and will probe the people whom that person tried to reach the last time.
Correct.
Okay, so what was that need to go ahead and delete the pictures? Okay, now she was the one who said that he was under clinical depression, this, that, and all that. Now, one thing very funny here is that his fitness coach said that Sushant Singh Rajput never mentioned that he was taking any kind of treatment for depression. Now, this is very conflicting. Why was she the only person who knew that he was battling depression and other people did not know? That is one thing.
उसके फैमिली वाले क्या बोले?
Uske
It could
family
be a
wale,
possibility that he was hiding about it. It is definitely possible.
why
that
why
he did
will
not
he hide,
want-
why will he hide it from his fitness coach?
देखो, if अगर मैं भी उसकी जगह पे हूँ, I don't want, because अगर वो सेलिब्रिटी है, रेपुटेशन पे कुछ सवाल उठेगा, ऐसे भी सोच
But
के
Hajira,
might
he has
have
been his fitness coach for a very long time. He was the one that he has had from the very beginning. They had a very close relationship. Why will he try to hide something from his fitness coach? Don't you think that he is actually responsible for his physical and mental health? And he should have spoken to him. And coming from the background that he is and the education, the kind of education that he has, do you really think that he had any kind of stigma speaking about mental health? No, he did not.
बट ये भी तो पॉइंट सामने आता है कि वो एक इंट्रोवर्ट था जब से छोटा था.
See, being
ऐसा हो
shy,
सकता
no,
है
no,
कि
1 second.
डिप्रेशन के
Being
बारे में किसी
shy,
के साथ बात करना भी बहुत
Maybe he was not comfortable sharing
बहुत
it. That's the only
अनकंफर्टेबल होता
thing.
है,
see,
Exactly.
बिलीव
being
मी।
a shy person and being an introvert are totally two different things. Okay, he was a shy person. Nowhere it is mentioned that he was introvert. He tried to mingle with people. Okay, but he did not get that kind of response from people. If you see any of his videos, or the if he goes out, okay, you'll see that he tries very hard to mingle with people. He tries to initiate conversation and he tries to talk. Now people who have known him very very closely, like for example, if you see the interviews given by Shraddha Kapoor, because Shraddha Kapoor has worked with him for a very long time, okay, or Sara Ali Khan for that matter of fact. So Shraddha Kapoor says that when they were filming Chichore and they used to have a lot of parties, he used to sit and they used to talk at length. Now Abhishek, the question is, if you say that a person is introvert, okay, introverts don't talk that much.
करेक्ट।
Okay, being
लेकिन
shy and introvert are two different things.
लेकिन सी मैं अपने पर्सपेक्टिव से बोलूंगा एक चीज।
हाँ बोलो।
सी मैं भी डिप्रेशन में था, लाइक यू नो ऑलरेडी, बट द थिंग इज मैं भी बहुत महीने से डिप्रेशन में था, सो इट्स वेरी हार्ड टू टॉक अबाउट इट विद एनीवन।
या इट इज
खुद के लिए भी बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है। आई एम आल्सो एन इंट्रोवर्ट, आई टॉक, बट it's like but the thing is, when you want to talk about something like depression, it feels like I am showing my weakness towards the
Weakness
world.
to the world. Exactly.
Okay,
So,
so I
that
tell you,
he might not felt like that way कि मुझे
could be
बोलना नहीं
possible.
चाहिए, could be possible.
Could
We
be possible.
can't say that. The main problem is वो कोई suicide note छोड़ के नहीं गया है।
Yes, that was the main thing. Now I have one question here. Okay, he was a person who used to write journals. Okay,
Correct.
any person who follows him on Insta, it's a very open thing. Okay, very open thing that he used to write journals, and he has mentioned this several times. Okay, and he has like excerpts from his diary or from his journal. So a person who used to write journal, why did he not leave a suicide note when he wanted to kill himself or he wanted to die? Why he did not do that? Okay, leave alone that factor. Maybe he chose not to write about it. Maybe he chose, I just need to just finish this off and I don't want to write anything. Could be possible. Okay, just could be possible. I write myself, I write a lot. That doesn't mean that, okay, tomorrow if I think that I should go, it will be important that I'll write it down. No, it could be possible. Okay, but okay,
it's up to that person. Yeah,
yes, it is up to that person.
ऐसा नहीं है कि हर सुसाइड में भी एक सुसाइड नोट था।
हाँ, agreed.
लेकिन ऐसा भी है कि सुसाइड अगर कोई हो रहा है, या there's a possibility कि सुसाइड नोट है।
Now there are a lot of questions here as well. Okay, now why do you think a police probe has been called? Because first of all, the main foul play is that the CCTV camera was off. Why was it off the day Sushant Singh died? Okay. Second thing is that the like the rope or the bedsheet, whatever he used to kill himself. Okay, it just have a left thumbprint, fingerprint. Sushant Singh was not a lefty, so he will never tie a knot with left hand. Okay, you can try it.
Correct. Yeah.
Okay, that
You
is the
can't.
second thing.
Tying
Third
a
thing.
knot is not easy.
Correct.
With your weak arm. Yeah.
Right. Third thing. Okay, third thing, when you see his dead body, because there were pictures circulated, when you see that circle mark, okay,
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
I had a question on this.
yes, it's a very proper circular thing. That is not how it is, because if you see other bodies, okay, it is not like that if people commit suicide. Fourth thing, okay, his eyes were totally normal. That does not happen when you die by hanging. Your eyeballs pop out. Okay, his tongue was inside. There was no saliva on his mouth. If you are dying by suicide, at least one of the reasons have to be there. Either saliva comes out of your mouth, either the tongue comes out of your mouth, okay, or your eyes are disproportionate. Nothing was there. Okay, his hands were stretched. It's not possible. It's not possible if you die by hanging. How can you die by stretching your hand? No. If you see his legs, okay, it's kept one on top of the other. Again, okay, not possible in a suicide. Just not possible. If you see his room also, okay, his bed and his fan, very less distance. Very less distance. Okay, so there
So you mean to say you cannot hang yourself from that height?
it's
Is that what you mean?
difficult. It's difficult. It's difficult.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So leave alone all these factors. Okay, these a lot of doctors have also stated the same thing, that this does not look like suicide but a pre-planned murder, because suicide dead bodies don't look like that. And if doctors are telling that, they have seen a lot more patients than us. right? Why was the CCTV camera switched off, leave alone everything else? When it was switched on forever from the time it has been installed, why we don't have the CCTV footage? Why was it switched off the day that he killed himself, is the question.
और इतना prominent area में वो भी.
Exactly. And that entire block that he was staying in, only celebrities stay there. Okay, in Bandra. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It's a very high profile area. Just like we
Yeah.
have Banjara Hills here. Okay,
Yeah.
it's a very high profile area. Then why was the CCTV camera switched off? And it was never so. It was not even under maintenance. Then how and why is the question. Now, let's forget all this and let's think that, okay, fine, he died by suicide and he committed it himself. But then, what factors led him to do that, right? Because he himself was a very well educated, knowledgeable, and a person who was very intellectual. Okay.
Correct.
He was not an impulsive person. He was a very calm human being. Okay, very calm human being. If you see him anywhere, okay, he has never even risen his voice to talk. He was that kind of a person. That definitely means that he did not have anger issues. He was not impulsive. Then what led him to kill himself? Right? That is a very big question. Why so many projects were taken off him?
Correct.
Okay. 7 films were snatched for him. For what reason? Now, police has also asked YRF, that is Yash Raj Films, because he was under contract with them,
Yeah.
to give the contract. Now the question here arises that when he wanted to do the movie Befikre, he was under Yash Raj banners. He was under a contract. And he was denied to do that movie because he was under Yash Raj banner. The same movie went to Ranveer Singh, right? Ranveer Singh himself was under Yash Raj banner. Now,
Exactly.
He was
what
allowed.
he was allowed.
He
Yes.
was allowed.
So what kind of contract do you sign with people that one person is allowed and the other person does
Even-
not?
Even there was another film where he was denied. I forgot the name.
I'll tell you one more thing. Shraddha Kapoor came up and she told this fact that she was asked, she was under YRF, okay, and she was approached to make the movie Aurangzeb, which she denied, okay, and she went for other film. And that was the same movie that was even given to Sushant, and Sushant Singh denied, and that is from where these issues started. Okay. So Shraddha Kapoor says that from that time onwards, okay, Yash Raj Banners has completely abandoned her, okay, and they do not let her sign any pictures with them. So I really have
You
this
mean to say Shraddha Kapoor?
Shraddha Kapoor, yes.
Okay.
Now the question here is that why? Why? You have to let people, you know, they are actors, okay? They are artists. Why you will not give them that liberty?
That's why they have contracts. The same is with the
Fine,
singers.
if they have contract, okay, fine, I'll agree to your contract part. Then why that contract has a different set of rules for Sushant Singh Rajput and for
That
Ranveer
is
Singh
what-
it's different?
Why are
That
they
is the
changing the terms
problem.
and conditions?
Yeah,
Exactly.
that is what-
Depending on the person and their personality.
Yeah.
Correct. Why is it
Maybe.
different? Just
Those
because
are the
he's from a
terms and
star
contracts, I
family.
guess.
Just because he's from the star family. Now so many people now, if you see, are coming up with this. Okay, so this means that this has been going on for a very, very long time, but people did not spoke about it. But just because Sushant Singh Rajput death has been highlighted and he was loved by one and all, okay, he was a person who, I'll tell you one thing, Abhishek, okay, that this particular person, Sushant Singh Rajput, is everything that we are. Okay, he comes from a very humble background.
Yeah.
Okay, he comes from a state which is not much into movie making and all. So if you talk about Bihar, okay, and Jharkhand was initially Bihar, so I know. So what happens, I'll tell you how the mentality is in Bihar. You know that, right? And you are from West Bengal. It's very much similar,
Almost.
right? Parents there, okay, in our area or in our region, they are like, nahi, sirf engineering karna hai ya fir medical karna hai. They understand only two
Yeah.
professions, right? They do not understand anything. You talk to them about journalism, you talk to them about being a physicist. No, they do not understand it. Leave alone showbiz. Showbiz
They
to again is a different
Try
segment.
to think like that way.
Because
They
उनको
tend to
कैसा है, राइट,
more into
उनको ऐसा
engineering
है
and
कि उनको
medical.
लगता है कि मेडिकल और जो ये इंजीनियरिंग है उसमें ही स्टेबिलिटी है और बाकी कुछ है ही नहीं.
Yeah.
Okay,
That's true.
and we cannot blame them because that is how we have grown up. You can see that. So it's coming from generation after generation.
Now it is getting changed.
Yeah, it
I
is.
would say.
It definitely is.
at my place, at my state, it's changing, but not widely. Like people are still
It's changing
more into
everywhere. If you
engineering and
see, okay, a lot of things are changing.
medical.
For example, if you see
Yeah.
educating girl child, okay, so yes, India is changing that way. Definitely it is. But then again,
I'm not saying about only that thing. I'm saying about like only selecting engineering and medical. अरे यार engineering medical सिर्फ नहीं है. There are many things that you can do.
exactly my point.
I'm not saying सिर्फ medical ही क्यों पढ़ना है, सिर्फ engineering ही क्यों पढ़ना है तुमको.
तो
Physics
सुशांत
पढ़ो.
सिंह राजपूत के
Yeah.
टाइम पे ऐसा हुआ है that see he comes from a state called Bihar,
He was also
right?
asked to go for engineering.
Engineering. No. He was never asked to go for engineering. No. He was interested in engineering. I'll tell you one
Okay.
thing about his parents. He was the like the youngest child in the family. Okay, he has been brought up with a lot of love and affection. He was never forced to take engineering, and he has clearly stated that he took engineering because he was interested. Science was his first love. Okay, he loved science. He took engineering because he wanted to take engineering. Nobody forced him to take engineering. But he says that when he started dancing, he took
It was in
dance
third year.
classes. Yes. So what happened when he was in
I got to know about this thing in a video, like in a video in the sense it was in he was given a lecture in IIT Bombay.
yes, right, yeah.
Over there he was speaking about all these things.
Correct.
Yeah.
So what happened? He was never forced to take engineering. See, he was AIEEE rank 7th, single digit rank holder.
That's
Okay,
a lot.
right.
I have also given a AIEEE, so I know how tough it is.
Correct.
Yeah.
So many students across India give that exam, right? Compared to IIT, AIEEE has maximum number of people taking that exam. So he has got a single digit rank in that. That means that person was brilliant in what he was doing. That is not possible till you love that you are doing, okay? Or you love what you are doing. And a second thing was he was a National Olympiad gold medalist in physics. Okay.
Yeah.
So you can understand, okay, National Olympiad again is one of the most difficult exam because
Correct.
I have appeared for it. Okay.
And all the teachers, sorry, not the teachers, rather the professors try into it.
Correct.
To compete. So
Right.
it's very, very hard.
Very difficult because a lot
Very
of
hard.
knowledgeable people, and then the best of best students compete for that. Okay, so definitely he was one of the most brilliant minded student if you take like that. So when he moved to Delhi and then he started, like, he joined the dance class, he then realized, no, okay, this is something that I love. Okay, he was really mesmerized by dancings and all. And if you see, one of his wish in his bucket list is that he wanted to learn at least 10 dance forms. That is how much dancing meant to him. Okay,
Yeah.
that is how much it meant to him. Now from there again he joined Johnny's class. Okay, Johnny Barron, I believe. Okay, I don't remember his name. So he John Barron, I believe. So he joined his classes, acting classes, and that is where he like upgraded himself with that acting skills. Now if you see one more of his interview, he said that acting is his passion. Okay, he said that even if I don't get films, I'll continue doing theater, no problem, but acting is something which I love. I'll keep acting. It's not only.
He also said one more thing. In IFA Awards, he was saying that in 2003 or 2005, I guess. He said
Three.
that 3, ना? So he was तो वो बैक मतलब क्या बोलते हैं बैकग्राउंड डांसर जो होता है ना, वो था. उसके नेक्स्ट में जब वो एक्टर हुआ, जब वो चांस मिला फिल्म्स में, फिर वो बोले कि आईफा गिव मी द चांस टू dance on the first row, as an actor. So वो बोल रहा था कि it's a gradual progress. I love it. So ये भी अच्छा था, ये चीज भी.
A lot of things, like if you see, okay, one of his interview, I think it was at Cannes or IFA, I'm not very sure. The interviewer asks him that who is his inspiration. He says, I'm my own inspiration. Nobody else is my inspiration. If you see his Instagram, it is filled with so many different things. That means he was a person of perception. Like, he was into so many different things. He was into science, he was into physics, he was into astronomy, he was into astrophysics, he was into dancing, he was into fitness. Okay, lot of like, he literally loved Hinduism. Okay, if you see his knowledge, okay, he was an ardent fan of Shiva, Lord Shiva. One of his wish lists said that he wanted to meditate in Kailash. Okay. So he has visited Kedarnath and he has meditated there. He wanted to find the connection between the universe and Lord Shiva. Okay. So that was the kind of intensity he had for him. Okay.
You only told me about this thing that was recently out in the internet. कि वो जर्मनी गया था या कहाँ पे?
Yes, so he was.
Germany.
I'm not sure which airport he was at. Okay, so he was talking to a physicist who is a PhD scholar, research scholar, and they met at the airport and they both were talking to each other. And this जो research scholar is, she thought that Sushant Singh Rajput is a physicist studying in Sweden. I believe it was in Sweden. Okay, so she said the kind of passion that he had and the kind of conviction, okay, with which he talks. Okay, and he was talking about science and physics, the kind of twinkle that he had in his eyes, okay, it showed that how much he felt, what kind of passion he held for physics. If you see, one of his wish was to completely read the Resnick Halliday physics book. Okay,
Serious?
And Resnick Halliday is Bible of physics, if you know.
God.
You have been a science student.
Yeah.
Okay, now another one was to visit CERN. Okay.
He visited CERN, I guess.
Yes, he did. I'm just saying that it was a part of his plan. Okay, that he visited. He completed a lot of his wishes. Okay, a lot of his dreams. Like he wanted to visit Disneyland. Okay, so similarly, he wanted to visit CERN. Okay, and he wanted to research there in CERN. Okay, because
so there's no doubt कि वो learned नहीं था.
Obviously
There's
not.
no doubt.
No. He was a person with immense knowledge, Abhishek. Okay, and there are people who have knowledge in one field. He was a multi-dimensional person. To
So
be very
मुझे ये
precise.
बता. This is a question for both of you, Hajira and Preeti. छिछोरे या student of the year 2?
Obviously Chichore.
Chichore.
Obviously Chichore.
Why didn't he got any award?
Because that is how it is. That is how it is. See, when a movie like
just
Chichore...
can't believe कि
See, Abhishek, okay, leave alone Sushant Singh Rajput. Okay, that topic we
Seriously.
will discuss. Let's go back. Okay, so the time the movie came, I don't remember what was the name of this movie. Hero, I believe. With Suraj Pancholi, right?
with Salman Khan.
Yes, Suraj Pancholi,
Suraj
right?
Pancholi.
Suraj
Yes.
Pancholi. The same year, the movie, one great movie came was...
That was a great flop, by the way.
1
that
minute,
was a
okay, yeah,
huge
whatever
flop.
it is. Okay, so Hero was one movie, right? What was the second movie which came? I'll tell you, that year, Masan.
Masan, yes.
Okay, Masan.
Yeah.
Now, Masan had great actors. Okay, one of them being Vicky Kaushal. Who got the debut of the year award? Male? Suraj
Guess so.
Pancholi.
Yeah, Suraj Pancholi.
So, what are you talking about, Sushant Singh Rajput? This is how it has always been. There is a movie called Masan. I am not sure. Okay, like, Hajira, have you seen that movie?
No,
You should watch it.
You
should watch it. It's a beautiful movie.
Now, see, I have one concern. See, I'm going to say this.
Okay.
I'm sorry. शायद मेरा ये बात सुन के बहुत कोई भड़क जाएगा. The thing is, South में उतना हिंदी फिल्म नहीं चलता. Correct me if I'm wrong.
See,
Hajira.
obviously the region effect will be there.
Yeah.
Region effect is, but I'll tell you one thing, Abhishek.
Yeah,
Okay, if a movie is
I literally want to know from Hajira.
okay, Hajira,
कितना
please.
चलता है हिंदी films?
To be very honest, I have no idea about it, Abhishek.
So
See,
because she doesn't watch movies much. So.
लेकिन सलमान खान के movies या सलमान खान खुद अगर promote कर रहा है तो
कैसे भी चल जाते हैं.
even South में भी, right?
हाँ.
That is what I want to say.
See, I'll tell you
all
one
this
thing.
is interconnected. You know why? Because अभी जब सुशांत सिंह की बात हो रही है, especially इसको ना बड़े बड़े नामों से जोड़ा जा रहा है कि ये हुआ करण जौहर की वजह से, इनकी वजह से, उनकी वजह से. जस्ट ऐसे मैं देख रही थी कि there is one instant जहाँ पे आयुष्मान खुराना को भी करण जौहर की तरफ से एक मूवी प्रॉमिस किया गया था, and then when and he was given a landline number, And when
Oh
he
wow.
called the number, he was told that we don't take outsiders.
Newcomers.
Outsiders,
Yeah,
newcomers means
outsiders.
outsiders. It was
Outsiders.
specified as outsiders, and we only entertain star kids.
No,
तो
no Star Kids, only Star. That Kids was silent.
स्टार किड्स ऐसे मैंने पढ़ा था, तो इट कैन बी वेरी एविडेंट, दिस इज वेरी एविडेंट कि उन लोगों को क्या चाहिए, वो क्या कंटेंट के बेसिस पे मूवीज बनाते हैं, ये सब कुछ
कंटेंट ही तो
इंटरकनेक्टेड
नहीं है ना आजकल की
ये सब
मूवी में।
मूवी का कंटेंट नहीं बोल रही हूँ मैं, कौन से स्टार्स मूवी में आएंगे, क्या स्टोरी चलेगी, क्या स्टोरी लेना है, किसके बेसिस पे लेना है, किसकी बात सुनकर लेना है, किसकी बात नहीं सुनकर लेना है, ये सब क्यों चल रहा है, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग इज इंटरकनेक्टेड। देखो अभी मेरे को कोई चीज पसंद नहीं आ रही है, तो इट शुड बी ओनली अप टू मी कि मुझे क्या पसंद नहीं आ रहा है, उसके बेसिस पे मैं सोली डिसाइड करूँ कि मुझे क्या करना है क्या नहीं है। बट यहाँ पे इस एनवायरनमेंट पे ऐसे नहीं चलता। मैं अभिषेक का भी सलाह लूंगी कि अभिषेक को क्या पसंद है। अभिषेक से अगर कोई चीज मुझे पसंद भी है तो अभिषेक बोलेगा कि नहीं तो मैं नहीं करूंगी। फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मेरे को कोई मूवी बनानी है एंड आई एम प्लानिंग टू टेक समबडी इन दैट एंड अभिषेक या प्रीति बोलेगी कि नो इनको मत लो, इनको बैन करो, तो आई ऑल्सो गो विद द फ्लो without even getting to know the reason, the talent behind it, and how much hard work a person is putting into the acting skills, whatever it is. They don't really care about it.
So you mean to say ego?
ईगो एक हिसाब से हो सकता है, बट आई पर्सनली फील के मनी माइंडेड है। अभी मेरा टाई अप किसी और के साथ है, अगर मुझे वहां से पैसा मिल रहा है, अगर मैं उनको लूंगी मूवी में, उनकी तरफ से मुझे पैसा मिलेगा, तो व्हाई विल आई लिसन टू समबडी एल्स?
करण जौहर डीडीएलजे भी बनाए थे।
व्हाई विल आई स्पेंड माय मनी ऑन समथिंग?
करण जौहर डीडीएलजे भी बनाए थे।
बात तब की और अब की बहुत फर्क लगता है मुझे।
And what was so great about DDLJ?
A lot of things. It is still running in Punjab, I guess.
That doesn't make it a great movie,
That
right?
doesn't make a great movie, but
I'll tell you one thing, Abhishek. Okay.
अभी बहुत
leave
ज्यादा
alone
money minded
Bollywood.
हो गया है. That is true.
No. Leave
I
alone
agree.
all of that. Okay. If you talk about leave alone Bollywood. Okay. If you go to regional movies. Okay. Let's talk about regional movies. If you see regional movies, they are beautiful. Okay. The content is awesome. The content is awesome.
Have
okay.
you watched the movie Prakton?
Yeah, I have. That's what I'm saying, na.
Please watch Prakton.
If you see the Hindi adaptation, the Jalebi is total shit.
You should see Prakton.
Okay, it's total shit. If you compare Prakton with this, it's like whatever. They have made some shit out of it. Same way, like no, seriously. So the point
It's
here
alright.
is okay.
I know you're half Bengali. That's why you're being so critical about it.
No. I am not being critical about only that. Okay, so it's not about me being half Bengali or whatever it is. See, I'm not even going into that religion or region or whatever wala thing at all. Okay, no, I'm not biased that way. I enjoy music from every region. Similarly, I enjoy movies from every region. I have watched Malayali movies, Kannada movies, Telugu movies,
Even
Bengali
me.
movies, Marathi movies, everything. Content should be there. Okay.
And the acting should be good.
Correct. It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter which language it is.
If you do not understand the language, you can watch it with subtitles. But I'll tell you, there are such beautiful
Sure.
movies out there. यार, come on. Content should be there.
जो प्रेफरेंसेस हम रख के मूवी देखते हैं ना, अगर वही प्रेफरेंसेस रख के मूवी बनाई जाए ना, तो सब चीज बदल जाएगी।
Exactly.
सब चीज बदल जाएगी।
बहुत
Like
लोगों
you
का
are
नौकरी चला
investing
जाएगा
crores and crores of like money
बहुत
for
Star
some
Kids का
shitty movies.
बहुत Star Kids का नौकरी चला जाएगा।
भाई,
in that
it's
case.
time that needs to stop.
Exactly.
ठीक है, स्टार किड्स को देखने के लिए टैक्स पेयर का मनी लेने की जरूरत नहीं है। हमने ठेका नहीं लिया
True.
स्टार किड्स का।
True.
ठीक है, to give them the job. If you're that talented, please find job on your own. I am not saying that star kids are not talented, Abhishek.
And
Okay.
it doesn't mean that कि आप स्टार किड हो, आपकी जीन में एक्टिंग हो गया, ऐसे कुछ नहीं
Exactly.
होता।
मतलब
You just look at the movie धोनी.
Not
I
everyone.
swear on God, उस मूवी में
Yeah.
एक मिनट के लिए भी मुझे सुशांत सिंह नहीं लगा।
हाँ, like he
It
looks
was
like
not
Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
He was
इतना
completely
ज्यादा
into the
अच्छा
story.
किया था।
हाँ, he was
I'll tell
completely
you,
into
when he
the
was making this movie,
personality.
Byomkesh Bakshi, okay, Sushant Singh Rajput did not use his phone for 6 months, so that he believes, okay, he convinces himself that he is in that era where there was no cell phone. You understand the kind of dedication, okay?
Yes.
So
Even
भाई, ये
in
तो वही
cellular
logic है ना?
series also they used to do the same way.
That's what I'm saying. So
Yeah.
ये तो यहाँ पर तो यहाँ मतलब बॉलीवुड में ये नौटंकी चल रहा है कि राजा का बेटा राजा बनेगा। कौन डिसाइड करता है भाई? कहाँ? कौन से मतलब कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में कहाँ लिखा हुआ है?
राजा वो बनेगा जो डिजर्व करता है।
Exactly. Why? Okay, and who the hell is giving you the right? मतलब बपौती हो गया है क्या बॉलीवुड तुम लोगों का? 4-5 लोगों का? You'll sit, you'll gossip, you'll decide किसका कितना talent है, you'll will decide कि किसको कौन सी मूवी करनी चाहिए. Let the artist decide it ना. Let them read the script. Let them decide whether they want to do it or not. Why are
You
you
know,
deciding
that
it for
is the
themselves?
only reason. That is the only reason I'm moving towards the web series.
A lot of people
इतने
are.
अच्छे अच्छे बंदे एक्टिंग में आ रहे हैं ना.
अरे भाई दिग्गज
I
कलाकार तू
I
देख ले,
can't
ठीक है,
explain.
पूरे थिएटर वाले जो है ना दिग्गज जो है, ठीक
हाँ,
है, वो यू सी
उनमें
दिस
से और एक
पंचायत.
पंचायत, यस. और
That
एक
guy
अच्छा है.
Jitender is awesome man, awesome.
और एक बंदा अच्छा है. I'll tell you his name. अभिषेक बैनर्जी.
अभिषेक बैनर्जी, yes. अरे
If you have
बहुत
seen
सारे हैं,
मिर्जापुर,
ठीक है, बहुत
he's
सारे.
is very much underrated. उसका एक्टिंग बहुत underrated है अभिषेक
See,
बैनर्जी का.
you
He
know
acts
what?
very well.
Rajkumar Rao, what did he say? That
Rajkumar
had
Rao, yes.
nepotism not been there, I would have been launched at the age of 22.
Yeah, that is what.
That is how it is.
You can't blame. The system is like that way, and we are also
That
fed the
needs to
same way.
change. No, that needs to change. कोई
That
चीज
is
सदियों से चलता आ रहा है. As I said, okay, I gave you that example, right? कि सती प्रथा भी बहुत सालों से चलता आ रहा था.
correct.
Had Raja Ram Mohan Roy
Rammohan
not
Roy,
decided that needs to stop, it will still be going on.
Exactly.
Okay. तो कोई गलत चीज चले आ रहा है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि चलते आएगा. And we are also equally to be blamed. अच्छी मूवी आती है उसको हम देखने नहीं चाहते. पूरे बकवास मूवीज आएंगे, we will run. Okay, oh no, we will go watch Student of the Year. What kind of shitty movie is Student of the Year, man? What do you have to watch?
By
in
the way,
that?
I haven't watched that movie
Even
yet.
I haven't watched that shitty movie.
I don't think I should.
Neither
watch.
the 1 and neither the 2. See, I'll tell you one thing. First of all, I watch very few movies. I'm not even a movie person. Okay, I watch very few movies, most of them which are critically acclaimed. Or I believe that if I am going to a theater, which I rarely go, very less times I have been, I think throughout my life, I have only been to theater 4 times. That's it. Okay. So if I am investing my time, even when I'm seeing it on my phone, okay, even if I'm watching it on Netflix or something, I believe if I'm investing 2 hours or 3 hours in something, I should take back something.
It should not be shit. That is
Correct.
the only thing.
Once you walk out of theater, na Abhishek, that should stay with you. That is how a movie should be. Like when people watched MS Dhoni and they came out of the theater, they couldn't understand whether they are watching Sushant Singh Rajput or whether they are watching Mahendra Singh Dhoni.
Exactly.
That is
That's
the kind of conviction we put.
I read this article where people were like, हम लोग MS Dhoni देखने के लिए गए थे because we were MS Dhoni के fans, and we came out of the theater being a Sushant Singh Rathod fan.
See?
So
exactly.
it is so evident कि उसकी acting में कितनी reality थी. Person, he was literally into the character. I swear मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, एक second के लिए भी लगा नहीं कि I am watching somebody else, because
He also
being a
spent
MS Dhoni
time with
fan,
MS Dhoni.
Yeah,
Exactly.
1 year, 1 complete year.
Yeah.
He
to
invested.
understand. Yeah, exactly.
He has practiced that helicopter shot for like hours on end till months. And if you see the last, okay, if you see the endings, jahan pe he ends it with a 6 in the T20 World Cup match. If you play both the videos, okay, side by side,
I've seen that. I've seen that.
Exactly photo
same.
हुआ is the rocks copy.
Yes,
so
that is
so
what.
beautiful it is.
You will not understand ki who is who.
Imagine the amount of time it has taken to the person to practice this and put into this.
And then people have the audacity of coming out in the public and telling he's neurotic, he's psychotic. Like, who the fuck are you to decide that? Who are you? And on what basis are you judging? Okay, same thing with Mahesh Bhatt. Okay, that I don't want to abuse, whatever it is. Okay, that
Please
stupid pervert. Okay, seriously, he comes out and he is giving a statement. Sushant Singh Rajput is mentally unstable. He is this, he is that. Like, you yourself are a school dropout. Okay, how much do you know? How much? First of all, you make all kinds of shitty movies which have only nudity and nothing else, no story. Murder 1, Murder 2, Murder 3. You're surviving on such shitty things. Okay, such shitty movie which doesn't have a head or
Is
a
he
tail.
surviving? I don't think he has any work at this moment.
I'm not talking about as this moment. He was making such shitty movies, at one point of time. So he was surviving on that, right?
Yeah.
Now you have the audacity to tell a person who was chosen for Stanford, okay, who was shortlisted for Stanford, who himself is a AIEEE single rank holder. You have the audacity to come in national TV and tell that Sushant Singh Rajput is mentally unstable. Okay.
It's very simple fact that they cannot accept the reality. They cannot appreciate
No, Hajira, there is
person
a
as to what
background
they
story
are.
to that. Okay, so this Riya Chakrabarti and Mahesh Bhatt were dating each other. Okay, it looks like a very long-term plan. Okay, that these
Oh.
people were in the background. They had started. Okay, I don't understand because Sushant Singh Rajput had made this statement because other people who have known him closely that if I keep dating Riya Chakrabarti for a very long time, I might be killed. Okay, he has told this to people. That means he somehow somewhere felt this thing. How
Are you
true it is?
serious?
Yes, he did.
Oh my
Okay,
God.
he did. Okay, and Riya Chakrabarti and Mahesh Bhatt. Okay, if you see at one point of time, their Instagram was filled with their pictures. Okay, first of all, he's a very big pervert, and when he talks about depression, his own daughter, Alia Bhatt's sister, Shaheen Bhatt,
Yeah,
herself is a depression patient. How can you be
exactly.
so insensitive wherein your own daughter is going through that thing? You come out on national TV, okay, and you spread this rumor that he's mentally unstable.
This is no surprise, Preeti, because for a very long term, Mahesh Bhatt, including his other daughters, were not aware of their own family member being into depression. This was out on some reality show, I believe, or
Yeah,
probably on
correct.
stage. So being in the same family when they couldn't figure out कि उनका अपना खून ही किसी परेशानी में है, तो forget about
Other
that
people.
really shows
No,
how
no,
much they
fine.
really care
You
for each
don't
other.
know it. You don't know it. That is fine. But then, how do you have the audacity of coming out on national TV and telling all this nonsense? Okay,
Exactly.
and I think this is what it is. It's a long time plan. Okay, that they have gone ahead and they have concocted all this cock and bull story. उसने ऐसा एक तरह का बना दिया है, ठीक है, एनवायरमेंट जहां पर महेश भट्ट ने पहले ही ये चीज बोली, उसका भाई भी उसको ये कर रहा है कि इट्स लाइक कि नहीं, जब मैंने बात की थी उससे मुझे तभी फील हो गया था दैट ही इज इनटू सम काइंड ऑफ डिप्रेशन एंड ही माइट आई सॉ दिस कमिंग. सो भाई, इफ यू सॉ दिस कमिंग, व्हाट द हेल डिड यू डू? व्हाट
एक
डिड यू डू?
थ्योरी है, तुम एक झूठ को
100 बार बोलो ना तो वो भी
100 बार
सच
बोलो
लगता
ना,
है.
वो भी सच लगता है.
That is what these people are doing. Okay, these stupid people are doing the same thing. Okay, so this Mahesh Bhatt and his brother, okay, these people have already concocted this lie and have spread this. I don't know what. Okay, and if this Riya Chakrabarti had to just go ahead and be with that stupid fellow only, why did she have to be with him? Okay, this female is the one who tells that he had clinical depression. Okay, and she is submitting proof. Now, why did the other people did not know that he was under depression? There were other people
उसका
very close to
फैमिली
him.
मेंबर को जानना चाहिए फर्स्ट, राइट?
Exactly. His family members don't know. His best friends don't know. Why did he only tell this to you? And there are people whom he have known in the industry for very, very long time, and he has shared every small bit of news with them. Then why did he not only share this particular one thing with anybody? And then what she says that when I convinced him to take medicines, okay, he did not take it. He was not taking medicine, and I was the one who pushed him to take him to the doctor. Okay, why? Why were you the only one who has taken him to the doctor? That is my question.
Like you said in the beginning, among so many friends, among so many people in his life, at least one apart from Riya Chakrabarti should have been aware about his depression.
Exactly, Hajira,
At
that's
least
my
one
point.
person. I don't care whoever it is, उनका fitness है, उनका coach है, कोई
कोई भी
हो,
रहने दो, कोई तो होगा
एक
ना.
बंदा, somebody else apart from Riya should come and give the statement that they were aware about this, then we can agree to it.
See, so many, okay, and when you say that he was mentally unstable, भाई तुम उसकी आखिरी पोस्ट तक देखो, कौन से पोस्ट में तुमको मतलब देख के लगता है कि he was mentally unstable, that you're coming on national TV and giving some kind of मतलब judgment yourself. Who the hell do you
There
think
is
you are?
not a single post
Exactly.
जिसमें ऐसा feel होता है. There is not a single post.
This can be ignored because for a fact that I'm a person who doesn't like to share or showcase to the world what I'm going through. I can just go attend the funeral of my closed one. I can beautifully walk up to my office in a very normal and a very simple way, जैसे कि कुछ हुआ ही नहीं है. तो ये भी हो सकता है उनके साथ. But कम से कम, like I always say कि मेरे को अपनी bestie से बात करना है. I didn't talk to her from morning, so I have this very close connect with her, very close bond with her that she knows everything about whatever I'm going through. The real me, the elementary side of me, she knows it in and out. तो उनकी लाइफ में भी कोई एक बंदा ऐसा होना चाहिए टू whom they showcase the elementary side, not to the world but at least to one person. I think हर एक की जिंदगी में कोई ना कोई एक ऐसा होता है जो बंदा बेझिझक होके अपना एलिमेंट्री साइड उसको दिखाता है, चाहे वो दुनिया को दिखाए या ना दिखाए, चाहे वो कोई खुशी की बात हो, दुख की बात हो, डिप्रेशन की बात हो, क्या कुछ भी हो, तो एक बंदा जरूर होता है किसी
उसके सुसाइड केस के बाद ही तो इतना ज्यादा वो आ गया है चीज के लोग बोलने लगे हैं प्लीज टॉक टू ईच अदर एंड ऑल. पहले
No,
क्यों नहीं बोले फिर?
हाँ पहले क्यों नहीं बोले? नहीं नहीं, and what angers me is these two stupid people coming and telling that we saw this coming, we knew he was mentally unstable. This, so when you saw this coming, what did you do? Okay, what did you do so that you could help him? And now you have the audacity that you're coming on national TV when he's died and giving such kind of statement. Is it required?
And
अगर
stating
इतने
that this was no surprise to them.
हाँ no
When they
surprise.
were expected, bloody what the hell
तो
did
तुम
you
क्या
do?
कर दिए भाई? क्या उखाड़ दिए तुम इतने दिन में? तो यहाँ पर आकर क्या बताना चाह रहे हो? मतलब what are you trying to tell here?
मतलब
When you-
ये दिखाना चाहिए कि उनको पता था कि ऐसा होने वाला है and they were just simply watching it कि कब होगा.
हो जाएगा, हाँ करेक्ट.
ऐसी बातें सुन के उनके मुंह पे थूकनी चाहिए. They are thinking that they might get appreciation for that कि they are aware what was happening with him, but actually उन लोगों को मुंह पे
This idiot fellow, okay, Mahesh Bhatt, he did the same thing with Parveen Babi also. Same thing that she is under depression. Ye wo why? Because at one point of time she was in relationship with him. Just to ruin somebody, okay, he went ahead and claimed that she was psychotic, she was neurotic, she's a schizophrenic patient, ye wo, and ended her life. She ended her life in the same way. Now there is one more connection between Parveen Babi. Okay, I hope you all know who Parveen Babi is.
Yeah.
So Parveen Babi and क्या बोलते हैं, Sushant Singh Rajput. Okay, so there is a connection between both of them, and that is Cooper Hospital. Okay, why was the dead body taken only to Cooper Hospital? Why? Okay, now all this is also okay. Now I have this question that if you see Sushant's post, okay, and if these two people were in relationship, what happened to the pictures? Why is it deleted from both the Instagram accounts? And what was the need to delete it? So as soon as this female got the news that he died, first she goes ahead and switches off the comment section so that nobody can tell her anything. Then after that she goes ahead and she deletes all his pictures. Why? The question is why?
And especially if you were into relationship with somebody, if you really love somebody, you should be in such a shock कि forget about his pictures, तुम्हें तो अपनी pictures का भी ख्याल नहीं होना चाहिए.
Exactly.
भूल जाओ pictures. ये सब होने के चक्कर में तुम considering Ankita Lokhande, who is ex-girlfriend to Sushant, she actually went into depression after hearing this.
Yeah, she has not stopped crying.
She is not a person who can do this.
Correct.
Right. तो
not
बंदे
only
के साथ
her, Hajira,
रिश्ता खत्म होने के बाद भी इतना इफेक्ट कर गया. मेरे को ये बात समझ में नहीं आ रही, रिया को इतना टाइम कहाँ से मिला कि वो गई अपने फोन पे
फोटोज डिलीट की, सब करेक्ट.
Because she was also prepared for this. उसको पता था कि ऐसा कुछ होगा. She was prepared.
Maybe she was also involved in it. Who knows?
Definitely.
Okay, Mahesh Bhatt and she has concocted all this whole story. Okay, maybe they have killed him. Could be possible.
Because until you are prepared for anything worse, that you cannot face it so easily.
See, Abhishek, the point is, if you love someone, okay, I'll tell you, because I have gone through the death of my best friend. Okay, I can understand if you get a news something that sudden, how it feels. Okay, so
exactly.
I was in depression for years, not even months, for years. Okay, why? Because I have known her for 13 long years of my life. Okay, from like very beginning. There was no single day that I have not spent my life with her. School में पूरे दिन हम साथ में होते थे. So that is how it is. This female, she walks up, she doesn't look remorseful at all. कोई कुछ भी कहीं से नहीं लग रहा कि उसको कुछ उदासी है या कुछ है. On the other hand, if you see Ankita Lokhande, her eyes had swollen.
Exactly.
Okay, her eyes had swollen. It like she was crying like anything. You know what? Like so many people, that she has not yet stopped crying. She has not yet stopped crying. She when like media house tried to contact her, they themselves have went ahead and given this statement on national TV कि जब अंकिता लोखंडे को call किया गया, she picked up the call. When she picked up the call, she just said what, and she just kept the receiver. Okay, from that time onwards, she did not take anybody's call. When people from Pavitra Rishta set called her, one of the cast, okay, one of her friends, very close friends, she called. She couldn't just stop crying. Okay, she had not eaten for 2 days. She's going on continuously crying. When she came to meet, okay, her eyes were swollen. Now, second thing, one more thing here. She came and she met Sushant's family also, when they have broken long time back. Okay,
that is the humanity.
No. Listen to the point. So she went ahead and she met his family. Okay. Riya Chakrabarti, on the other hand, was totally ignored by Sushant's family. Why? They maintained a distance even at the burning ghat. Okay, they did not meet her, they just left. Why? When they met Ankita Lokhande, she was with them for 2 to 3 hours with the entire family. When they came back after burning ghat, they came back, she went to meet. Why did they side from Riya Chakrabarti?
Even Shraddha Kapoor was there.
Yes, Shraddha Kapoor was there, a lot of people were there, Kriti Sanon was there.
Kriti Sanon was there.
Okay, so on uske baad, you know what, Ankita Lokhande and these people used to stay together. उसने आज तक भी पता है नेम प्लेट से उसका नाम नहीं हटाया सुशांत का. It is still there. That is the kind of love that she had for him. I don't think Riya Chakrabarti को कहीं से भी देख करके उसको देख के लगता है that she is literally impacted. It looks like she was ready for this. Okay, the kind of way she is carrying herself, that is only possible when you are that prepared for something.
Exactly, that's what I meant.
Okay, and from no angle it feels like she was in any kind of serious relationship with him. और लोग बोल रहे हो कि उनकी शादी होने वाली थी. जिसके साथ आपकी शादी होने वाली थी 6 महीने बाद, do you give this kind of reaction for them?
Exactly.
Now people will say that you are being very judgmental, but see, दुख होता है ना तो पता चल जाता है.
अगर और इन अ सिचुएशन जहाँ पे आपने एक बंदे को हमेशा के लिए खो दिया है, as a human we tend to recollect all the memories what we have.
Exactly, and not delete their photos.
Yeah, the memories whatever we have in our mind, in our hearts, और उनके रिलेटेड कोई भी चीजें भी हो तो हम उसको बहुत संभाल के रखते हैं, and we say उनकी आखिरी निशानी है, उनके साथ
A lot of people, correct, a lot of people bashed Ankita Lokhande also. She did not go ahead and switch off her comment, she did not disable her comment section because उसको होश ही नहीं था. ये मैडम को इतना टाइम कहाँ से आया भाई?
Exactly.
कमेंट ठीक है, कमेंट डिसेबल करी उसके बाद why did you have to delete the photos?
delete की
कितना टाइम था भाई? There were a lot of photos. Why did she feel the need to go ahead and delete the photographs? Why? मतलब भाई हम लोगों को अगर कुछ ऐसा न्यूज मिलता, like any unfortunate news, okay, we are in a state of shock. उस समय हम ये बैठेंगे सोशल मीडिया में देखने की भाई कौन कौन सी फोटोज है डिलीट करनी है, क्या करना है, क्या एडिट करना है. सीरियसली आई एम लिटरली सरप्राइज्ड कि मतलब एक इंसान से आपकी शादी होने वाली है, एंड दैट टू अ लव मैरिज, यू लूज दैट पर्सन फॉरएवर. ओके, द पर्सन डाइज and then you have so much of time that you sit and you go
forget
ahead.
about time, प्रीति. यहाँ पे सिर्फ बात उसके स्टेट ऑफ माइंड की आ रही है, उसका स्टेट
वही तो टाइम बोल रही हूँ ना हजीरा,
जाके आई और
वही तो बोल रही हूँ, वही तो टाइम की बात कर रही हूँ कि भाई हम लोग अलग स्पेस में ही चले जाते हैं खबर सुन के. ऐसा होता है कि आजू बाजू वाला अगर किसी को देखा भी है हमने 2-3 बार, उसका भी कुछ खबर आता है ना ऐसे, तो भी वी आर लाइक इन सम, अरे बार बार उसका चेहरा जो होता है ना नजर के आगे घूमता होता है. Like for example, see, we don't know Sushant Singh Rajput, we don't know him personally.
Forget about human being, Preeti. You remember the story when I told you my cat got fractured?
Exactly.
I couldn't eat food for 3 days, literally.
That's what I'm saying, na,
Hajira. Limping. All of us in the family had tears in the eyes.
Because that is the kind of affection that you have. That's what I'm saying. See, we did not know Sushant Singh Rajput, right? Personally, तो हम नहीं जानते हैं.
Exactly.
But if we are so much impacted by his death, okay, this
I couldn't
person
sleep for two nights listening to this.
मैं खुद ठीक है, from 1 week my mind was very disturbed because he was one person I really adored, not because he was a celeb or he was an actor, Hajira. Okay, the kind of insightful person that he had, I really loved his Instagram because उसका पोस्ट जो होता था ना, it was so unique. Like every single post, I had so much to learn and so much to research on Google. Whether he posting any Sanskrit shlok, okay, wherein he is posting some picture, okay, or he is posting some kind of theory. Like
I heard him uttering those Sanskrit slokas. वो perfect था.
Exactly.
Perfect.
You read his self musings. Okay, I will share a place because even that page has been started, wherein he was a big fan of self musings. Okay, he was a person, I said, okay, very vibrant, very insightful, who like you saw things in multi-dimension. Okay, मतलब जैसे एक चीज का देखने का हजारों नजरिया हो सकता है. He himself could. He also had posted a very nice self musing. I don't remember that I am my own fan or I am my own inspiration. It depends on what you will say, what version I am of something. I'll let you know what it is. I'll share that page. Okay, so his self musings pages have also been like saved. There are people who are big fan of him, and they have created a page wherein all his self musing, which even he deleted, and a lot of pictures like people still have those screenshots because his posts were that insightful. A lot of people have told this, that when they saw Sushant Singh Rajput, they have learned how to dream for him. His love for science have what you not instigated exactly, like enlightened bolte hai, theek hai. So they were enlightened totally to follow science हो चाहे physics हो चाहे कुछ भी हो, is for that matter of fact.
I was actually proud to say him all those things. I'm also an engineer. मुझे भी बहुत अच्छा लगता था उसके posts देख के.
That's what I'm
I used
saying
to
ना,
follow him. That is what
कि
I
इतने सारी
used to
चीजें,
make
very few posts,
खराब
okay, very
लग
few
रहा है
posts. And he also started a book club. I don't know if you'll follow it. He started a book club. Okay, so Intoxilectual, okay, was the name of the book club. I followed it because I am myself a book lover, a bibliophile. He went ahead and started that because he was a big bibliophile. Okay, बहुत ज़्यादा. His home was filled with books, okay, non-fictional books. And if you see all his pictures, okay, coming out of airport, he is carrying a book. See that very carefully.
Yes,
So,
I did.
okay,
Yeah.
वो इंसान जहां भी जाता था, okay, किताबें लेके जाता था, just like I carry books wherever I go, because he loved reading. Okay, and he has shared a list of books that we could read, and he allowed and he let other people also share his thinkings, thoughts, quotes from the book, their favorite lines, okay, anything that has inspired them about the book. It was a very beautiful club, okay, and that is why another fan of his has kept that alive, and he has created another one, because definitely we cannot touch that book club anymore, as
Correct.
Sushant Singh Rajput was the owner. So what he did was to keep the legacy alive. There are so many people, okay, doing that. There are people who have created self-musing pages wherein all his self-musing quotes and everything which he has written is being converted, okay, and you can follow them. There is this one person who has completely created a new, okay, book club with the same name, with the number 2, okay, in Toxilectual, and he has kept the screenshots of all those posts. So that is already there, and then he requested all the followers from that page to join on this page and keep his legacy alive and the love for science and physics alive here itself. Then there are people in Instagram who have created pages wherein they are sharing the thought, okay, like for his example, his bio, okay. I don't know if you have read his bio on Instagram, okay, so you should check that, okay. How many of you have checked it?
I checked it. It
Okay.
was like you have to understand.
Yes, you have to
You
understand.
have to understand
Correct.
what he's trying to say.
Yes. So his Instagram bio said photon in a double slit. Okay. So I'll tell you the theory behind it. If you don't know, do you want me to tell it?
Yeah,
Yes,
go
please
ahead.
do. Please
Okay.
do.
Okay. So photon in a double slit. Okay. So this is a very interesting theory. Okay. I researched on it. The reason being, what has happened is that I was going ahead and I couldn't understand it. What did he mean by that? So it says that Newton, okay, Isaac Newton, he was going ahead and doing some kind of research. Okay, 1 minute, not Isaac Newton, it was Albert Einstein. So what was happening is this particular person, okay, he, as I said, he's a big fan of physics, right? ठीक है. So उसने ये चीज क्यों लगाया is because he was very much into ये क्या बोलते हैं, into experiments and all, and one of his thought was also that he wants to go ahead and follow this, okay, like do some kinds of experiment. That is why he wanted to go to CERN.
Yeah.
Okay, that is one big reason. If you see his picture wherein he goes to CERN, ये चीज देखा था उसने, टच किया था. It's like, you go to Mecca or Medina, okay, and you have that kind of feeling, ठीक है.
Exactly.
You have this, हाँ वो
अपना वो जैसे वो जगह को जाके उसने मोक्ष प्राप्त किया है.
correct,
ऐसा टाइप का एक फीलिंग.
correct. He's literally touching his head on that wall of CERN. Okay, so that was his kind of, like, that was the dedication that he has. 1 second.
So I मतलब मुझे समझ में आया ये सब चीजें, I understand, लेकिन why? Like क्यों? अगर किसी को अगर कोई बंदा अगर इतना प्रॉमिसिंग है and if everybody knows about his acting skills, come on, तुम किसी के बारे में कुछ गलत बोल के उसका एक्टिंग स्किल्स को छोटा नहीं कर पाओगे. इट्स विजिबल टू एवरीवन.
Yeah.
तो why he was being targeted? वही क्यों?
वही क्यों?
So I have two things to say in this condition. अभिषेक, जब भी मुझे पर्सनली लगता है कोई चीज जब किसी को ज्यादा खटकने लगती है, इफ दे कांट डू समथिंग अबाउट इट, उनको लगता है कि क्लियरली रास्ते से हटा देना चाहिए.
Yeah, correct. There are people
That's
like
one
that.
thing.
We
Sad-
can't
saddest-
get into this conclusion के it was a murder.
I'll speak about it. That's first thing. Second thing, see, I am from Bangalore, so I basically travel to Mysore, which is about 150 kilometers from Bangalore, and it's about 3 hours journey through train. यहाँ से जब स्टेशन पास करते हैं, उसके बाद देयर इज अ स्पेसिफिक एरिया, आई डोंट वांट टू मेंशन इट ओवर हियर, जहाँ पे माय मदर लिटरली टेल्स कि ये जगह थोड़ी ठीक नहीं है, अंदर रहो, पास बैठो.
अच्छा.
क्योंकि आंख के सामने ही मेरे क्या हुआ था कि देयर वाज वन पर्सन हु वाज लिटरली सिटिंग, वो जो जहाँ पे स्टेज होते हैं ना ट्रेन के, वहां पे बैठ के अपना फोन यूज कर रहा था, एंड आई वाज स्टैंडिंग ओवर देयर. चलती ट्रेन में बंदे के हाथ पे ऐसा हाथ पे कुछ लकड़ी से कुछ तो बड़ा लंबा पोल जैसे चीज लेके मारा गया और उसका फोन ड्रॉप हो गया. सो दैट इज द एग्जैक्ट सेम प्लेस जहाँ पे मम्मी बोलती है कि 50 और 100 रुपए के लिए लोगों की जान ली जाती है. 50 और 100 रुपए.
सीरियस?
See, Abhishek,
लोगों को ये
yeah.
पैसे ना भीख मांग के भी मिल जा सकते हैं, लेकिन 50 रुपीज और 100 रुपीज के लिए वहां पे जान ली जाती है. तो इतना जमाना मतलब समझ रहे हो आपकी इंसान की जिंदगी की वैल्यू नहीं है. ठीक है, बंदा कोई भी हो, उस बंदे की वैल्यू नहीं है वहां पे. और वो बंदे के हाथ पे क्यों मारा गया था? बिकॉज दे आर प्रिपेयर्ड कि जब ट्रेन पास होती है वहां पे पैसेंजर्स बैठेंगे एंड दे आर वेरी रेडिली वेटिंग कि वो हाथ में मारेंगे, फोन गिरेगा और वो फोन लेके भाग जाएंगे. दिस एग्जैक्टली हैपेंड राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ माई आईज. तो ये जगह पे लोगों का मेंटालिटी अलग है, जहाँ पे लोगों के पैसों की, उनकी जान की कोई वैल्यू नहीं होती. तो ये एक बैंगलोर के करीब एक लोकल एरिया है जहाँ पे ऐसा है. तो मेरे को लगता है ये जो बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री, ये सब बड़ी बड़ी चीजें होती है ना, इनकी भी हालत यही होती है. इनका भी दिमाग
हाँ.
ऐसे संकी टाइप का होता है,
अरे
बट
संकी की
इनकी
बात
ये
ही नहीं है
हालत ना
हजीरा.
उनके पैसों में छुप जाती है बस.
कैसा है पता है यहाँ पर? ओके, इफ यू सी अ लॉट ऑफ फैक्टर्स, ओके, नॉट ओनली सुशांत सिंह राजपूत, वो तो अभी यहाँ पे इतनी बातें हाईलाइट हुई हैं, ओके, बिकॉज ऑफ हिज डेथ, एंड सो मेनी पीपल आर नाउ कमिंग अप एंड स्पीकिंग, चाहे वो कंगना रनौत हो, आयुष्मान खुराना हो, चाहे राजकुमार राव हो, ओके, या फिर लॉट ऑफ अदर पीपल, ओके, लाइक शक्ति कपूर केम एंड स्पोक, ओके, धर्मेंद्र केम एंड स्पोक अबाउट इट, देन हु एल्स, लॉट ऑफ पीपल,
मनोज बाजपेयी.
मनोज बाजपेयी, यस.
लेकिन मनोज बाजपेयी जैसे बोले हैं, आई डोंट थिंक उससे अच्छा कोई बता सकता है. उन्होंने ना डायरेक्टली क्रिटिसाइज किया है.
See, he will definitely not do that because सबको
Exactly.
पता है कि क्या हो रहा है और तुमको पता
He's
भी
very
है.
senior. He's
Okay.
a very senior actor.
See, even Ashutosh Rana, okay, for that matter of fact, even Ashutosh Rana has posted, okay, then who else? Anupam Kher, okay, आज सोनू निगम ने पोस्ट किया है. Then I'll tell you who else. मुकेश खन्ना, who plays Shaktiman, okay, he, ठीक है, he has posted. So a lot of people are now coming up and speaking. Ravina Tandon, Govinda, okay, they are coming up and speaking.
Govinda spoke about a lot of things.
Yeah, he did, because see, his career came to a downfall for some reason, right? Okay, so definitely they will speak. देख, ये कुछ नया नहीं है, हो रहा है और बहुत सालों से हो रहा है. बॉलीवुड में कैसा है ना, उगती सूरज को सलाम करने वाला स्टोरी है वहां पर. Once you are, when you are in limelight, लोग तुम्हारे ना मतलब पैर चाटने के लिए भी रेडी है. हाँ, बस वो भी रेडी है. बट वंस यू एंटर इन अ फ्लॉप सीन, ये वो, अरे ठीक है, चले यार, फ्लॉप.
बेसिकली यहाँ पे क्या होता है ना, पैसा रोटेट होता है यहाँ से,
पैसा बोलता है यार, इनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. करेक्ट.
तुम्हारे पास टैलेंट,
तुम एक मूवी को कैसे फ्लॉप बोल सकते हो? मैं तुम्हें 2 एग्जांपल देता हूँ. जस्ट टेल मी इफ दोस आर गुड मूवीज और नॉट.
ओके.
Queen and Rangoon.
Queen
by Kangana.
I like Queen.
रंगून
Rangoon was not bad, but I love Queen more.
एक्टिंग स्किल्स में तुम बताओ, थोड़ा सा भी कुछ मिस हुआ था?
नहीं, no. She has given her utmost to both the ये movies.
देन आई पर्सनली लाइक क्वीन, मुझे तो उनका
Story
एक्टिंग बहुत
matters.
अच्छा लगा।
Story
तनु वेड्स
matters.
मनु उनका लाइफ का शायद सबसे अच्छा मूवी था। वो
I
कमबैक
love Queen
किए,
more.
वो कमबैक किए मणिकर्णिका से।
Yes, Manikarnika was also really nice.
दैट इज ट्रू।
मणिकर्णिका is
लेकिन
absolute because
तुम एक फिल्म को
I
कैसे
want
फ्लॉप बोल सकते हो? एक्टिंग स्किल्स के ऊपर बेस
अगर
करके, या
एक्टिंग
फिर उसका
स्किल्स के ऊपर
वो ज्यादा
मूवी
ना
चलती
कमाए तो?
अभिषेक, ओके, तो ट्यूबलाइट जैसी मूवी हिट नहीं जाती। ओके,
देखो मेरा एक ही क्वेश्चन है, तुम एक मूवी को कैसे फ्लॉप बोल सकते हो? कितना कमाया है या
हाँ
कितना
हाँ हाँ हाँ
एक्टिंग
हाँ,
स्किल्स के उसमें?
नो 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 नो
it
एक्टिंग
only
स्किल्स,
goes on money.
मनी, करेक्ट।
पैसा
ट्यूबलाइट
पैसा
जैसी घटिया मूवी, ओके, बकवास मूवी 200 करोड़ कमाती है, ठीक है। रद्दी मूवी एक नंबर की, ओके, रद्दी बोले तो रद्दी मूवी है, न
I am
सर है
basically
न
a Salman Khan fan, but I
सॉरी
have
चोफेंड,
but मैंने अपनी पूरी जिंदगी में ट्यूबलाइट जैसी घटिया मूवी नहीं देखी
बस
है।
हो गया,
Sorry to say.
ठीक है, हो गया। और कुछ बोलूं मैं? Not that Salman Khan has not delivered good movies, okay, I will not say that, but ट्यूबलाइट बहुत ही रद्दी, बहुत ही घटिया मूवी थी। रेस, okay,
प्रेम रतन धन पायो।
oh my god, please don't even, let's not even get there, okay।
इन लोगों का एटीट्यूड देखो, प्रेम रतन धन से आया मेरे को याद सोनम कपूर के बारे में, बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री में सरवाइव कर रही है,
I
इतनी
feel
बड़े
sorry
स्टार
for
की
that
एक लड़की
female.
है, and when she was questioned about सुशांत सिंह, she was like, who सुशांत?
Yeah, because
मतलब अपनी
she
लाइफ में
doesn't
तो
know ना, she
इतनी
finds everyone else hot
गोबर
because she
भर
married a
One
she married a uncle ना,
one movie was great. That
Neerja,
was Neerja.
because the story itself was great,
Her acting was
okay,
also good on it.
okay,
Come on. You have to give
so
it to her.
that's what
On
I'm
that movie,
saying.
her acting was also
See,
good.
so when you have acting skill, it should come out in all movie, okay? You cannot be a
Exactly.
one
That's
movie
also
wonder,
true.
Abhishek, okay? When
Yeah.
you say that an actor is good, don't judge an actor based on one movie.
Only
That
one
see,
film,
that
exactly.
movie itself was a, बोलते ना कि हीरो हीरोइन नहीं था, that story itself was the hero, okay? तो उसने ढंग की एक्टिंग, ठीक है, ओके एक्टिंग की है, ऐसा कुछ उसने महान काम नहीं कर दिया है नीरजा में, ओके? लाइक आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड पीपल लाइक शी इज डन सच ग्रेट एक्टिंग, सच ग्रेट एक्टिंग। भाई अगर इतनी ही अच्छी एक्टिंग स्किल है तो बाकी मूवी में क्यों नहीं करती हो? बाकी मूवी में तो ऐसे लगता है कि पता नहीं क्या ही है, एक एक्सप्रेशन से दूसरे एक्सप्रेशन का डिफरेंस ही नहीं समझ आता है।
So back to the question, why Sushant? Why?
See, Sushant was a person, okay, who जो किसी का चाट नहीं सकता, हाँ, ओके, इन अ रॉ
और
वे,
वही चीज खटक रही थी सब,
ठीक है, वही चीज बहुत खटक रही थी। एक तो वो बाहर वाला था, ओके, ही वाज फ्रॉम अ स्टेट, वैसे भी बिहार वाले लोगों को ज्यादा भाव देते नहीं है, आई एम फ्रॉम बिहार, सो आई विल टेल यू दैट वेरी रॉली। जिसको कोई ऑब्जेक्शन हो, प्लीज हैव अ मिडिल फिंगर सैल्यूट, टेक इट, ओके, आई डोंट माइंड, बट दैट इज हाउ इट इज। लाइक ऐसा है कि अगर लोग बिहारियों को देख लेंगे ना, अच्छा तुम बिहार से हो, मतलब इट्स लाइक आइदर you know you coming from a land of rapist, okay, that is one kind of yeah, that
Let's
they have,
not go to that way.
no, I'm just saying, okay, so he first of all was from there, okay, was from Bihar, एक बहुत छोटे शहर से आया वो, बहुत छोटे शहर से, ठीक है। he was an outsider, he did not have a godfather, he was a person जिसका खुद का इंटेलेक्ट था, वो दूसरों की बुद्धि पर नहीं चलता था, उसको सही गलत पता होता था, अनलाइक अदर स्टार किड्स जो एकदम गवार जाहिल, 10 मतलब जो है ना 10वीं फेल है, उनके जैसे नहीं था, okay, he was very intellectual, he did what he wished to do, और ये चीज बहुत लोगों को पसंद नहीं आई, okay, and it's not only in Bollywood, there are a lot of things outside as well, okay,
there is this short saying, ये भी मैंने कहीं वीडियो में देखा था ऑनलाइन ही, बंदों की जिंदगी बन जाती है बस करण जौहर साहब पीछे 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 खड़े हो जाए, बट ख्याल सिर्फ इस बात का रखना है कि वो थूक ना दे।
या सामने वाला झुके ना।
This one line or two lines gives the entire picture as to what the person is and what he's capable of doing.
Yeah, he is capable of delivering shit. You can see that on Coffee with Karan if you want.
Oh my god.
Like I don't know who watches it, but anyways.
When it comes to Abhi had this question कि how can we come to a conclusion as to if it is a planned murder or something. Simple सी बात है, अभी मेरे को personally feel होता है कि this is a murder because I have not personally seen the dead bodies of a person how they look like या फिर फांसी डालने के बाद कैसे होते हैं, अगर हमारा हाथ भी हम थोड़ा टाइटली पकड़ लेंगे ना थोड़े टाइम के लिए, यू कैन गेट द मार्क्स ओवर देयर। बट मुझे नहीं लगता कि फांसी के फंदे से लटकने की वजह से यहाँ पे उस तरह का मार्क आएगा। जिस तरह का मार्क मुझे लग रहा है वो इट इज समथिंग पीछे से वार किया गया हो एंड द पर्सन वाज स्ट्रगलिंग टू एस्केप फ्रॉम दैट सिचुएशन एंड उसकी वजह से वो मार्क आया हो। मेरे को तो ऐसे लगता है वो डजंट लुक लाइक कि ये नॉर्मल सुसाइड वाला डेथ है जिसकी वजह से वो मार्क उन्हें मिला हो। एंड आई हैव नेवर मैंने देखा तो नहीं बट मैंने सुना है कि फांसी लेने के बाद कैसे दिखते हैं बंदे। I've never
Exactly.
heard of people talking about a mark on their neck because of an attempt or probably dying because of hanging themselves.
नो मार्क आता है, ठीक है, मार्क नहीं आता ऐसा नहीं है, मार्क आता है, बट देन हैंग करने का जब ये होता है, ठीक है, व्हेन यू डाई बाय हैंगिंग, सो देयर आर अदर लाइक
It's like every death has a pattern, how
या
they
करेक्ट
are
करेक्ट,
dying,
लाइक फॉर
और
एग्जांपल
उनकी
अगर
बॉडी में
कार्डियक
कैसी
अरेस्ट, राइट,
या
चेंजेस
मार्क
जो होते
होते
हैं,
हैं।
करेक्ट,
इवन सेल्यूलर मतलब लेवल में भी जाके वो लोग देखते हैं कि मान ले जो प्रीति ने बोला कार्डियक अरेस्ट, तो उसमें भी ना वो हार्ट का देखेगा कि उसके टिश्यू में कुछ हैम्पर हुआ है कि नहीं। दे विल कम टू नो
सी अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, ओके, लाइक कार्डियक
a lot
अरेस्ट
of
हो गया,
things.
ठीक है, मतलब पॉइजन से मर गए लोग, ओके, सो हर एक तरह का मौत का, ओके, लाइक अननेचुरल डेथ आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, ओके, सो व्हाट हैपेंस इज अ लॉट ऑफ सिम्टम्स आर देयर, जैसे बीमारियों के सिम्टम होते हैं, सिमिलरली सिम्टम्स आर देयर, ओके, सो दैट इज हाउ इट इज, ओके, वो कहीं से भी तो वो नहीं लगता है, ठीक है, जहां पे बहुत
So
सारे लोग ये बोल रहे हैं कि पीपल आर मतलब सुशांत सिंह राजपूत डाइड बिकॉज ऑफ बुलिंग, नाउ अदर पीपल आर बुलिंग द अदर स्टार किड्स, ओके, हाउ इज इट राइट? सी, nobody is bullying them, okay, people are just asking for justice, okay, and they are just showing you that this is what you have done wrong and you need to rectify this. It's high time now. We cannot keep losing other Sushants now. We cannot have other Sushants anymore.
whom are taken into custody?
Not exactly custody, no, nobody has been taken into custody, but they are being questioned, okay, so a lot of रहते हैं ना, कुछ चुतिया सपोर्टर्स भी रहते हैं, ठीक है, जाहिलों की तो कमी नहीं है दुनिया में, तो फिर
कौन थे?
case has been filed on Karan Johar, Ekta Kapoor, Salman Khan, Sanjay Leela Bhansali, and Aditya Chopra, ठीक है, and there are few more people, I don't know.
All right.
So that is how it is, okay, so the point is,
So you want to say it's not a murder, but it is a murder.
see, anyways, any which ways it is a murder, okay, either he has been killed, okay,
Or mentally
or
pressurized.
mentally
ऐसे किया गया
pressurized
है।
to kill himself,
Yeah.
okay, सिंपल सी बात है, आप किसी को मेंटली टॉर्चर करके भी अगर मारने पे मजबूर करते हो तो वो सुसाइड नहीं कहलाता है, ठीक है, एंड जो लोग ये ज्ञान पेल रहे हैं ना बैठे बैठे, ठीक है, यू आर अ कावर्ड इफ यू किल योरसेल्फ, ये वो, भाई कोई मरना नहीं चाहता है, ओके, लेट मी गेट वन थिंग, वन रिकॉर्ड स्ट्रेट, nobody wants to end themselves, all they want to end is the pain. So if you have not gone through depression, ज्ञान बैठ के पेलना बहुत आसान होता है, okay, and not everybody is equally strong. Maybe at one point of time everybody is depressed in life, everybody is a human. हो सकता है कि आपने वो झेल लिया हो क्योंकि आपकी फैमिली थी, कोई रीजन था, कुछ था आपके पास उस समय जिसने आपको बचा लिया. Not everybody is that lucky, so don't sit and judge people.
I feel like very lucky, believe me. मैं जब डिप्रेशन में था, it was like very bad. Like मुझे एक चीज ऐसा लगता है कि जब मैं डिप्रेशन में था ना उस टाइम पे, मैं कभी कोई भी काउंसलिंग के लिए नहीं गया.
Okay.
I don't know whether I should share it or not, but I feel like I should talk. तो
Tell.
जब डिप्रेशन के पीरियड में था ना, I know प्रीति, you know all about these things. मैंने तुझसे शेयर किया था, but it's like I want to say it in like for everyone. It's like मैं जब डिप्रेशन में था उस टाइम पे मैं बहुत 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 ज्यादा सोचता था. I think you could see it on my face.
Yeah, I asked you so many
told-
times.
Yeah, so that is the thing. I used to think कि पता नहीं क्या, लेकिन बहुत सारे ऐसे सोच आते थे, अच्छा बुरा, लाइक बहुत ही बुरा बुरा सोच आते थे मेरे दिमाग में कि मैं क्या
Yeah,
करूं
because
क्या
your
नहीं.
brain starts over processing things.
That is what
You
मैं
start
ये
seeing
सोचता
things
हूँ.
beyond जो है ही नहीं. मतलब क्या होता है कि
Exactly.
आपको कोई चीज, मैंने जैसे अभी फॉर एग्जांपल यू आर इन अ राइट फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड, सेम वे विथ हजीरा. सो मैंने कोई मजाक कर दिया तुम लोगों के साथ, you will not take it, you will not be offended, okay, just
That is
because it's a
what,
joke.
yeah,
But if you are into some kind of depression जहाँ पर तुम्हारा brain upset है, you're tired है, or you're not in the right frame of mind, you might get offended. अच्छा, इसने ये
that
क्यों
is
बोला?
what.
Was she sarcastic? Or
तो
was she really joking? This kind of thing.
मुझे मैं कैसे ओवरकम किया पता है? सो मैं ये सोचता था कि देख, ह्यूमन को दूसरे एनिमल से अलग करता है एक ही चीज, वो है हमारा सोच.
Correct.
हम जैसे सोच सकते हैं वैसे कोई एनिमल नहीं सोच सकता.
Correct.
सो अगर कोई डिप्रेशन के टाइम पे डिप्रेशन में है तो ही इज ऑलरेडी ओवर थिंकिंग, एंड उसका मेंटल स्टेट दूसरे लोगों से ऑलरेडी आगे है. द मेन थिंग व्हाट दैट पर्सन नीड्स टू डू इज channel those thoughts into a positive one.
Correct.
अब मेरे केस पे भी वही था. मेरे जितने भी ऐसे खराब सोच आते थे, अगर मैं कुछ ओवर थिंक करता था, आई यूज्ड टू थिंक अबाउट गुड थिंग्स, और मैं ये सोचता था कि ये सब सोच को मैं अच्छी डायरेक्शन में कैसे लेके जाऊं, करेक्ट डायरेक्शन पे. आई थिंक मोस्ट ऑफ देम माइट गेट हेल्प. आई गॉट हेल्प फ्रॉम दिस वे. मैं म्यूजिक बहुत ज्यादा सुनता था. मैं एक्चुअली लिखता था, मैं ड्रॉ करता था. मैं सब कुछ बंद कर दिया हूँ, just for everyone to know. Anyways, so I thought कि ठीक है यार, कुछ भी तो नहीं है, कुछ तो करना चाहिए यार. तो अपने ये जो सोच रहता है ना, इस सोच को बस ठीक डायरेक्शन में लेके आओ, बाकी सब भगवान देख लेगा.
Yeah, just to add on to what Abhishek said, I have never disclosed about my depression, except for my bestie. Nobody actually knows that
With
I
food.
went through a depression. ठीक है?
फूड ना मिले तो डिप्रेशन में जाती हो.
Yeah, she's a big foodie. इसको इसका बासा फिश ना मिले तो she'll just go into depression.
Just joking, don't take it seriously.
Yeah, it's just a joke.
Yeah, so the thing is, जैसे अभिषेक बोल रहे थे कि the only thing what he did to come out of depression is to channelize all the negativity into positivity. So that absolutely works. But situation कभी-कभी इतनी बुरी हो जाती है कि आपका दिमाग completely blank रहता है.
हो जाता है, correct.
Except for the fact that you want to leave this dirty world and attain that eternity, आपको कुछ भी दिमाग में नहीं
आता है. Exactly.
तो मेरा डिप्रेशन इस तरह का था कि आई एम अ वेरी स्ट्रांग पर्सनालिटी. मैं ऐसी नेगेटिव चीजों में कभी नहीं गई थी टिल नाउ. अभी रिसेंटली मेरे साथ ये सब हुआ था. तो द ओनली थिंग दैट हेल्प मी इज, अभिषेक ये फैक्ट में भी बिलीव नहीं करती कि कल भी मेरी उनसे बात हुई थी तो उन्होंने बोला था कि बेस्ट फ्रेंड इज अ मिथ. बट आई वुड से अगर कोई बंदा, डोंट कोट इट एज अ बेस्ट फ्रेंड, अगर कोई आपको समझ रहा है, आपको पता चल रहा है कि आपके दिमाग में बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी है और कोई एक बंदा वो चीज समझ सकता है उस सिचुएशन में, जस्ट लिसन टू देम. Just blindly trust them and listen to them if you have somebody who you can really trust on. I have this bestie called Sabha. I owe her my life completely because जब मैं डिप्रेशन में थी, ना मैं खाती थी, ना मैं टाइम पे सोती थी, ना मैं कुछ भी करती थी, बस एक रोबो की तरह लाइफ मेरी चल रही थी. एंड उस टाइम उस सिचुएशन में मुझे पता भी नहीं चला था कि मुझे क्या करना है. एवरी अदर डे आई यूज्ड टू प्लान कि मेरे को हैंग करके मरना है, विल दैट बी एन इजी डेथ, या फिर मेरे को टेरेस पे कूदना है, विल दैट बी एन इजी डेथ, या फिर मेरे को पॉइजन खाना है, विल दैट बी इजी वे टू किल माई सेल्फ. ऐसे थॉट्स मेरे दिमाग में आते थे. जब भी सुसाइडल टेंडेंसीज होते थे, आई यूज्ड टू डायल अप. मैं कॉल करती थी सबा को and I used to just listen to her. Even yesterday after Sushant Singh's death, मैं उनसे बात कर रही थी and I told her everything about what I went through. I hardly remember anything. We used to have calls for 6 to 7 hours together. Continuous calls रहते थे, 6-6 घंटे, 7-7 घंटे. She used to talk to me. And मेरे को एक सिंगल चीज भी याद नहीं है मुझे उसने मुझे क्या बोला, how she helped me to come out of it. I really don't remember anything, but I just followed her instructions. वो जो भी बोलती थी, मेरे को लगता था कि she is the only one who understands me in this world. She knows what I'm going through. She understands completely कि मेरे साथ क्या हो रहा है. And अगर ये मेरे लिए कुछ बोल रही है तो definitely this is something that is for my benefit. मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, I might be taking wrong decision for myself, but she cannot take a wrong decision for me. तो मैंने blindly हर एक बात पे उसकी concentrate किया. उसने जो भी बोला मैंने वो implement किया, and only that helped me come out of depression. Only that helped me come out of my depression. I sometimes think कि अगर वो ना होती तो would I be alive? This was the situation. Even now when I think about those days, I hardly recall what I spoke to her. I hardly recall what she advised. I hardly recall what she told me. But I only had trust and faith in her.
The thing is,
Nothing
you
else
had
helped
one
me.
person, you had one
Correct.
best friend. जैसे मेरा कोई बेस्ट फ्रेंड नहीं है. जैसे मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि बेस्ट फ्रेंड इज अ मिथ. जैसे अगर कोई मेरी तरह सोचता है तो उसके लिए ये एक ऑप्शन नहीं होगा, आई थिंक.
Yeah, exactly. आप जो बोल रहे हो वो absolutely मैं agree करती हूँ. But what I'm trying to tell you is,
या बात करो.
इतनी बड़ी दुनिया में कोई ना कोई आपको
हाँ.
एक बंदा तो ऐसे मिलेगा जो आपको समझ
See,
सकेगा.
it's not that best friend is a myth. तो वैसे जैसे कि बोलते हैं soulmate is also a myth. A lot of things can be myth, can be true.
But
It totally depends.
what I try to make a point here is, उस सिचुएशन में अब जब आप ऐसे हो कि आपको लग रहा है कि आपको कोई समझ नहीं सकता, मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ कि कोई ना कोई एक तो होगा, वो आपके साथ उतना क्लोज भी नहीं होगा, बट कहीं ना कहीं आपको पता है कि ये बंदा मेरा कभी गलत नहीं चाहेगा. So I'm just telling, try and talk to those people.
See, it's not even that. Okay, any person you are comfortable sharing things with. Okay, वो क्या
अभी
चाहेगा
मैंने
नहीं
आपको बोला
चाहेगा.
था ना कि it can be any random person also you can
Yeah,
talk to,
even any
makes you
stranger.
comfortable, even any stranger. और मैंने अभिषेक को ये भी बोला था कि I do this at times. You just talk to a random person. किसी को भी बस पकड़ो, random person, you talk to them about your pain. They might give you some fruitful results which you might not expect.
Yeah,
कोई
actually.
fruitful statement निकल जाएगा उनसे.
I
तो
feel
हाँ, हमने कर सकते हैं.
I feel like in a different way. It's like अगर if you cater someone your troubles, they will make it a curry and they will serve it to everyone.
See, not everybody is like that,
No,
Abhishek.
exactly.
Okay,
Not
so
everybody is like
that is the
this.
मेरा
problem.
experiences
Okay.
बहुत गलत हुआ है
Yeah,
शायद
so
इसीलिए.
just because you have had bad experiences, okay. See, I'll tell you one thing. Everybody, okay, everybody. There is no human जिसको कभी धोखा ना मिला हो. ठीक है, चाहे रिलेशनशिप में हो, चाहे फ्रेंडशिप में हो, चाहे कुछ में भी हो. That doesn't mean that you lose trust on people. Okay, you be cautious. I'm not saying that you don't be. Okay, but हर कोई तुम्हारा बुरा चाहता हो ऐसा नहीं है. Okay, you have to let that guard go off.
See, एक simple चीज में मैं अगर समझाना चाहूँ तो what I wanted to actually convey is, जो सिचुएशन में अभिषेक ने इम्प्लीमेंट किया to convert the negativity and channelize it and bring it to positivity, हर एक में इतनी वो पोटेंशियल नहीं होता कि वो उस सिचुएशन में वो कर सके. तो उस सिचुएशन में अगर आप नेगेटिविटी को पॉजिटिविटी में कन्वर्ट नहीं कर सक रहे हो, तो द अदर ऑप्शन फॉर यू इज टू जस्ट ब्लाइंडली ट्रस्ट समबडी फॉर सम टाइम. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि आप उसको ही खुदा मानो और उसको अपनी लाइफ का सब कुछ बता दो. एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम किसी एक बंदे को ढूंढो जो आपको समझ सकता है. इवन इफ दे आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग यू 50%, दैट्स स्टिल फाइन. जस्ट गो टॉक. आप थोड़ा थोड़ा उस सिचुएशन से बाहर निकल सकते हो, बिकॉज बात करने से बहुत सारी चीजों का हल निकल आता है. आई पर्सनली बिलीव इन you talk, you will feel relieved.
You know, you feel that way, Abhishek. Okay, and you
होने के बाद आप थोड़ा, आपका स्टेबिलिटी, माइंडसेट थोड़ा चेंज हो जाएगा, थोड़ा स्टेबिलिटी मिलेगा लाइफ में. उसके बाद आप ये पॉजिटिविटी को नेगेटिविटी में कन्वर्ट करने की शक्ति ला सकते हो अपने अंदर. अगर वो बड़ी चीज नहीं कर पा रहे तो छोटी चीज करो. अगर आप अपना माइंडसेट चेंज नहीं कर सक रहे हो, उतना पोटेंशियल आप में नहीं है, बट have this thought of trusting someone, have this thought of talking to someone about it. ये छोटी चीज तो हर कोई कर सकता है. They can convince themselves to talk to somebody.
I would rather talk to my parents than
better option.
अरे anybody.
Parents से ज्यादा
That's
कोई
what-
हमें समझ नहीं
See,
सकता.
it doesn't have to be your friend or anything. Any person, okay, any person that you can talk to.
You know,
Okay.
it is just the fact that you need to speak out. जो तुम्हारे दिमाग में, दिल में बस चुका है, जो
You
चीज़
just
तकलीफ
need
हो
to
रही है,
vent.
just speak out. Just
why do I
speak out.
think I'm being bullied
No, you are not
by
being
both
bullied.
of you?
No.
No.
We are just telling you, okay, that
I
actually-
respect you. I actually respect you for the fact that you had this potential in you to convert that negativity into positive, because ये हर किसी की बस की बात नहीं है. This is
Actually,
not
there was
possible
a
to
phase
everybody.
while I completely होता है ना कि खुद को शट डाउन कर लेना.
happens. Isolation.
हाँ,
हाँ.
मैं अपने आप को एकदम वैसे ही ला लिया था. Like Preeti used to see me in office.
And I used to ask him so many times, but
What
sir को
happened?
कुछ बोलना नहीं है.
What happened?
See, I knew that something is wrong with you, but I have asked you also, if you remember. Okay, but then I understood at one certain point of time that you were not comfortable sharing, and that is when I stopped asking.
When I felt comfortable, I told you. That
Correct,
is how
correct.
everything gets over.
See,
एग्जैक्टली देखो उस इस सिचुएशन में आपको वो अपने अच्छे दोस्त से भी बात करने का दिल नहीं किया, तो मैं वही चीज बोल रही हूँ, मेक अप योर माइंड एंड स्पीक आउट, दैट रियली हेल्प्स.
And that is why I started this podcast. I actually talked to Preeti regarding this podcast before talking to anyone. I don't know if Hajira knows it or not.
yeah,
Actually,
I
मैं
was the
first
first
जो बात,
person.
हाँ, प्रीति was the first person whom I talked about a podcast, कि मैं एक podcast खोलना चाहता हूँ. Actually, मेरा एक दोस्त है, वो मेरे को बोला अचानक से, मैं उसको जब बोला, ये सेम बात प्रीति भी नहीं बोली थी. वो लास्ट दिन जब बात हुआ था प्रीति से, उस दिन बोली थी प्रीति सेम थिंग. द थिंग इज, मैं बोल रहा था कि काम की वजह से बहुत स्ट्रेस्ड आउट हो जाते हैं यार, या काम छोड़ दो, अभी कोई एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज कुछ भी नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं. I used to do a lot of things and I stopped everything. I thought that speaking out is a very good option.
True.
So that is what मेरे को बोलना था कि अगर कभी भी ऐसा फील हो रहा है कि you want to talk. Yeah, obviously trust करो, समझ के ट्रस्ट करो किसी को.
See,
रायता
I'll
मत
tell
फैलाओ.
you, नहीं वो सब दूर की बात है. पता है कभी कभी ना इंसान जब डिप्रेस होता है, okay, I'll tell you because see everybody at one point of time has gone through it. उतना सोचने
Exactly.
समझने का शक्ति नहीं होता है कि आप ट्रस्ट करो मत ट्रस्ट करो. I will suggest only one thing, आप बात करो.
To
ठीक है?
this, I am just going to give a very good example. I don't know if I learned this from Preeti or my bestie. There was this place जहाँ पे बहुत सारा suicides होता है.
Yes,
It
I
was
told
some
you that.
bridge.
Yeah.
तो वहाँ पे एक बंदा वहाँ पे
Where is
गया and I don't remember Preeti which was that place Preeti?
I'll have to remember one minute. याद
I
करने
think
दो.
Sabha also.
Is it in India?
No, it's not in India.
तो
Okay.
वहाँ पे सिर्फ एक बंदा गया एंड ही रियलाइजेस कि यहाँ पे ये होता है, इतने सारे डेथ्स होते हैं एक साल में, तो उन्होंने डिसाइड किया कि ही हैज टू ब्रिंग दिस डाउन. तो वहाँ पे गए एंड जो भी बंदा वहाँ पे सुसाइड अटेम्प्ट करने के लिए आता है, इफ दिस पर्सन वुड सेंस दैट, ही वुड जस्ट गो टॉक टू देम एंड चेंज देयर माइंडसेट.
Do you know, there's one thing that came into my mind. I'm sorry to cut you off, Ajira. I just this story came into my mind. लंदन में एक ब्रिज है, लंदन ब्रिज, राइट?
Yes.
तो उसके ऊपर से एक बंदा चल के जा रहा था, ठीक है, पूरा ब्रिज खाली था. दैट पर्सन वाज वॉकिंग. नहीं, ब्रिज खाली नहीं था, बहुत कम लोग थे. उसके हाथ में एक नोट था, किसी ने गौर नहीं किया. वो बंदा सुसाइड किया. वो नोट में लिखा था, मैं बहुत डिप्रेशन में हूँ, अगर मैं जंप करने से पहले इस ब्रिज पे अगर कोई भी मेरे को देख के एक बार हंस दिया, तो मैं सुसाइड नहीं करूंगा. या करूंगी, आई डोंट रिमेम्बर.
करूंगा.
He or she.
He was a guy.
He was a guy. So it brings me chills till date. कोई एक बंदा अगर हंस देता उसको देख के, वो बच जाता.
See, we have no right
People
to
didn't
complain. Do we do that?
That is what.
Do we do that? Okay, like before we go ahead, ठीक है, सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का केस तो जो है, ठीक है. Let us normally first talk about suicide cases, okay? So India tops the chart when it comes to the number of depression patients and the number of suicides being committed every year.
But it is not recorded.
Okay, recorded or not recorded, Abhishek? Okay, that is the truth, right? Okay.
People still think going to a counselor, going to for counseling is wrong. They think it's for people who is mentally unstable.
So वही चीज तो change करनी है ना?
Absolutely wrong.
See, because जैसे मतलब बाकी चीजें जो हैं, okay, it's a part of your body. Even brain is a part of your body.
Correct.
It's just like any other part, okay, like your eyes, like your ears. तो अगर हम बाकी चीजों के लिए डॉक्टर के पास जा सकते हैं, तो फिर ब्रेन को दिखाने के लिए ब्रेन डॉक्टर के पास जाने में क्या शर्म है?
People do not understand mental health is.
That's okay. That is why we need to come up and speak
important.
up.
Mental
Right.
health is
जो
important.
नहीं समझते कम से कम अपने जनरेशन को तो समझा सकते हैं ना. See, अगर हम वो स्टिग्मा 5 लोगों से भी निकाल सके, okay, and those
That 5 people can help 5 more.
5 more people, okay, and that is how a chain forms, right? See, I'll tell you one thing, okay. A lot of people says this, like little act of kindness. Okay, very very important, very very important. I'll give you a personal example from my life. Okay, one of my friends, okay, very good friend of mine as of now, but I'm talking about a time wherein we were not very good friends. Okay, like very good friends, like yeah, we were friends, we used to talk to each other, but ऐसा कुछ close friends नहीं थे. So what had happened, ऐसा था कि we were all common friends. So I had met that person through a common friend, so we were friends, and बातें करते थे, very nice, very jovial person and all. Then I came to know about his breakup, and I saw a lot of changes. Okay, and that way I'm very observant of people. Matlab, people whom I have met, people whom I have known, a little bit of change in them. Okay, especially people whom I've known closely, I understand. So I questioned him so many times. What has happened? What has happened? What has happened? No, because and that person is also very shy, not very talkative. That made it very, like, much more difficult for me to at least talk to that person. But I understood that something was really bothering that person. Now I came to know from a third person that he had a very bad breakup, and I knew that that person was in a relationship, very serious about that girl. What happened is, one day I just called that person, we talked to each other, and it's done. Okay, I just called that person because from that day onwards I used to call him proactively, talk to him, whether he likes it, he doesn't like it. Even if he stayed quiet on the call, I would be the one going blabber 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 all the time, just make him feel that I was there. Okay, what has happened is all this is done and dusted. Okay, let's forward few years afterwards. But till then we were very good friends, very very good friends. We share everything, he tells me everything. Then I was not in a good state of mind at that point of time. So my thing, like my problem is that I keep my things to myself. Okay, very private that way, very talkative, very private. So what had happened is, he used to tell me talk, and I have this habit of shutting myself down, going into complete isolation. That makes me better. That is what I feel, rather than talking. So he tells me, "Arey, bolo kya ho gaya hai, bolo kya ho gaya, bolo kya ho gaya." So a lot of factors is that at that point of time, job, this, that, and all that. Then I told him, like, why are you being so nice to me? Okay, and why are you so bothered? Okay, it's okay, I'll be fine. Don't worry about it. Then he tells me that don't act like one stupid person. Okay, at one point of time you have saved my life. I said, like, how? Okay, what are you talking about? Then he said, you don't know this, but I'll tell you that one day that I had called him, he was at a railway station. Okay, that day he had decided that he doesn't want to live anymore, and he was walking.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious. I'm telling you seriously. From
He was walking to a suicide.
Yeah, so he was walking on the track, and he had decided that he doesn't want to live anymore. Okay, he's going on walking, and that is when I called him. Okay, when I called him, he suddenly got jolted. He said, I thought for a few seconds whether I should pick up that call or I shouldn't. He said, maybe had I not picked up that call, I wouldn't be alive today. Okay, I did not even know that till years later. Okay, and at that time I asked him, kaha par ho tum? And he told me, I remember that conversation. Okay, he said, मैं station पे हूँ. I said, what are you doing in the station? He said, I came to take receive a friend. I said, ऐसा कौन सा दोस्त आ रहा है जिसको लेने तुम station पे गए हो? नौटंकी कर रहे हो? ठीक है. So we had all this chit chat and all, and then I asked him the same question, खाना का है क्या कर रहे हो, ये वो करके. Then I said, हाँ तुम्हारा friend कब आने वाला है? ठीक है, till your friend comes I will stay on the call, let us talk बोल करके. Okay, not
So
that
you kept him engaged.
Yeah, I kept him engaged.
Yeah.
Okay, so at that point of time I did not have any hint. Okay, I literally thought that he is going there, but I thought कि चलो station पे है ना, क्यों अकेले छोड़ना उसको room के बाहर है, because room में roommates थे. I'll stay with him. And I kept on talking with him. And then I later had a doubt also. He said, मेरा दोस्त नहीं आया. I said, your दोस्त was supposed to come and he did not come. क्या है ये? तो नहीं आया करके. I said, okay, fine. Till you go home, reach home, I'll be on the call. नहीं क्यों? I said, no, I'll be on the call. You shut your mouth. You reach home, I'll be there on the call with you. This is done and dusted. I had no idea. I come to know about this years later, and he's told me that, you literally saved my life that day. Okay, had I not taken that call, I had decided that I don't want to live. I had walked a very big distance from the station onto that platform. Okay, so that day I realized, the power of kindness. Okay, you never know. That's why, see, I really believe in this one thing, that everybody that we know is fighting a battle that we have no idea about. Okay,
तुम
so
लोग के जैसे ज्यादा लोग होने चाहिए यार दुनिया में.
I did not even realize it at that point of time, Abhishek.
See,
Seriously.
Abhishek, even in this example, what we get to learn is it's all about talking. It's just about talking to people. It's not about good or bad. या फिर जरूरी भी नहीं है कि आप अपने डिप्रेशन के बारे में बात करो because
हाँ, हम तो सिर्फ कुछ ऐसा
mentioned that
डिस्कस ही नहीं कर रहे थे.
Preeti mentioned that she wasn't aware about what situation the person was.
Exactly.
So it is
मुझे बस लगा okay that person needs me.
brought him out of that
You
situation.
just thought एक वो instinct होता है किसी में कि I think I should talk to this person at this moment.
जैसे when I was speaking to you, see, at that point of time we were not very close friends, okay, but then yes, I have seen you a lot many times with other people. I have seen how happy you were, how jovial you were, and after that, whenever I have met you, you used to say hi, you used to smile, but how will I say? Okay, I believe in two kinds of smile. Okay, one smile which I believe reaches your eyes, which is a genuine smile. Okay,
तो चश्मा खोल के भी मतलब चश्मे के थ्रू भी देख सकती थी.
मुझे वो फील हो जाता है, ठीक है. I have that intuition power. Okay, तो मुझे समझ में आता था that you know something is literally bothering, and if you remember, I have asked you also. Okay.
Yeah, that is also true. I used to sit there. I used to go.
क्योंकि I'll tell you one thing about you. Okay,
Yeah.
you have this very childish kind of nature. Childish kind of nature comes out only when you are happy. When you're happy, it's very evident, Abhishek. Okay, not because it's not that there's a difference when you are sad and when you are serious. When you are in a very good mood, okay, or you're really very happy, it comes out of that instinct that you will say something very childish. Okay, childish मतलब just like you know full of fun, full of frolic, मतलब कुछ serious बातें करते करते हाँ ऐसे मजाक से कुछ भी suddenly you will start and like हम कुछ serious discuss कर रहे हैं and you will be like
हाजिरा की शादी
नहीं, not हाजिरा की शादी. Okay, he goes into mimicry only when he is in a good mood. If he is not
If
in a good
anyone
mood, he
doesn't
will know.
I do mimicry.
Yeah.
To every listener to this podcast, I do mimicry very bad.
No, I don't agree to that. No. Okay, so ये जब भी बोलता है ठीक है जैसे कि अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है. Okay, the thing is it comes in a flow to him. Like all of a sudden if I tell him अरे अभिषेक करके देखा, नहीं, he will not do it. ऐसा होता है कि बात कर रहे होते हैं suddenly ये चीज निकल के आता है उभर करके, ठीक है, अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है. Okay, or something like that he will say. So I know that yeah, okay, he is happy, he is in a good mood. But
if anyone, any listener who is expecting कि मैं ये करने वाला हूँ,
I am not doing that.
No.
As I said, it comes in a flow.
और मैं अपना बेइज्जती नहीं करना चाहता.
No, it's really good. Okay, come on.
सबके सामने, sorry.
No. So the thing is that around that point of time, I have like noticed him for quite a few months. He used to smile whenever he used to see me, but not like normally he used to smile, like ring from one end to the other end. No, not like that. And usually when I used to sit in, because I have this habit of carrying book, and Abhishek, you remember, right? I sit on the couch and keep reading book.
Yeah, always.
So whenever I used to see him passing,
I also carry a book all the time.
Yes.
But I never used to read like her.
ठीक है, तो इसका कैसा होता था जब भी ये क्रॉस करके जा रहा होता था, यूजुअली देयर विल बी लाइक 2-3 पीपल अराउंड विद हिम एंड ही विल बी मतलब इवन बिफोर आई सी हिज फेस मेरे को उस कॉर्नर से पता चल जाता था, डेड एंड नहीं सॉरी, ठीक है, जो what you will say, the bend. Okay, so I will know Abhishek is coming because that is how he is. And around that point of time I saw no, he's become very quiet. He doesn't he's not that frolic person that he usually is and all. I asked him also what happened. नहीं कुछ नहीं, because he's a very private person that way. तो नहीं कुछ भी नहीं पूछा. फिर at one point of time I stopped asking because I believe I respect my personal space a lot, and so do I for other people as well. If somebody doesn't want to tell me, I will ask once, twice, thrice, and after that I won't. Until and unless that person comes and talks to me. Because see, जब हम किसी को ये सवाल पूछते हैं, and we are giving so much of ज्ञान on suicide after this thing has happened, कि people should come out and talk, but आप reverse theory में जाओ और ये भी सोचो कि जब आप किसी को बोलते हो कि आप जाकर के सामने वाले से बात करो, आपने कभी ऐसे सोचने की कोशिश करी है कि आप वो इंसान बनो कि सामने वाला आके आपसे बात करे?
Correct. I also I also wanted to talk about that. Like you also have to be approachable.
Correct.
ये
You
वो
have to
बंदा जाके
create
बात
an
करे.
environment for that person कि जहाँ लोग
Yeah.
आकर बात कर सके. You know, today when people come, like Hajira pings me and tells me, Preet, I want to talk to you. I feel very happy, okay, that she feels comfortable, that she can talk to me. Let it be about anything, okay, any crazy talk that we are having, anything that we are talking. There are days when she'll call, and as I think if we are having any serious talk or anything, she's just like, okay, Preet, I want to talk to you. And I'm like, okay, fine. I'll tell you this because there was a time in my life, okay, when I was going through a very bad phase. There was nobody in my life at that point of time, okay. It was a time wherein I had stopped talking to my friend also. You know which friend I'm talking about, Abhishek. I'll not name her.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
So at that point of time, I was very low in life due to several reasons. I will not discuss all that here. बहुत ज़्यादा गंदे हालत में थी. Okay, very very bad. I'm a very strong person that way. Okay, I used to come to office straight faced, work, go home. I have literally craved to talk to someone. Okay, because I have always tried to be a person who is there for people. जिसको मतलब कभी अगर किसी को बात करना है ना मुझसे, I try to be available. I'll not say every time, इतने संत नहीं है, but yes, I try to most of the time. So at that point of time, I'll tell you the kind of craving बोलते हैं ना खाने के लिए होती है, ठीक है. There were times like, you know, I used to crave that
I know.
I could talk to someone, okay. Like literally,
Yeah.
मतलब ऐसे मतलब अंदर से जैसे ड्रग्स नहीं मिलने पे कैसा फील होता है पता है, वैसी फीलिंग आती थी कि भाई कोई तो रहे, कोई तो किसी से तो बात करूं, किसी से तो सुन लूं. Okay, so after that, I have heard this quote so many times. What does not kill makes you stronger. When I came out of that, okay, God's grace, He saved me. Okay, He took care of me. I'll tell you that day I understood what this quote means. I said God saved me. He took care of me.
अच्छा.
Okay, so that day I understood the actual meaning of that quote. What does not kill you makes you stronger. I came out of that, okay, a strong person myself. But that taught me a lesson, okay. That
It's like you always have a scar.
yes.
I feel like like you always have a scar. You tend to remember those things, and when you tend to remember those things, तुम और भी ज़्यादा उस बारे में सोचने लगते हो.
मुझे लगता है नहीं, I came out of it much stronger, much better person, okay.
Yeah,
when I came out of that
that
thing.
happens. It's like when you think about those things, either you fall into those depression again, tend to, or you become a very strong person.
I think I came out of it like, you know, very strong.
Now when I think of those times, I just laugh. I just don't know. I feel like
नहीं,
laughing.
I am still sensitive about it. I don't laugh about
मुझे
it.
बहुत हंसी आता है अपने आप पे.
No.
तो
There are few things, yes, I do laugh about, but then yes, there are few things I'm very sensitive about, and I don't think so that I will do that. But मुझे एक सीख मिली उस चीज से, that you know, if one person would have been there, okay, जो मेरी बात सुन लेता, maybe that journey would have been easier. And then I understood the power of being heard. And that time I, you know, literally pledged that tomorrow if anybody walks up to me and tells me that I want to talk to you, no matter however busy I am, I will keep my work
तो
aside.
इसी के साथ हम लोग कंक्लूड करते हैं आज का पॉडकास्ट. आप लोग बताइए कि आप लोगों का पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू क्या है इस चीज़ पे, इस टॉपिक पे. आप अपना पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू रखिए, कमेंट सेक्शंस पे लिखिए. अगर ये पॉडकास्ट अच्छा लगा या थोड़ा भी इंसाइटफुल लगा, प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. और सबके साथ जितना शेयर करेंगे सब लोग उतना जान पाएंगे. बताइए और क्या क्या टॉपिक के बारे में हम लोग को डिस्कस करना चाहिए. थैंक यू सो मच. बाय.